Here we go. Let's put the camera here. There we go. Perfect. All right, welcome. Bienvenue, bon matin. So welcome. If it's your first time here, it's a Franglish live trading session. So basically I'll be bouncing from French to English, trying to answer every question. If you want me to review your chart, the only thing you gotta do is click on this little camera here on TradingView, and you're gonna go to the end of the link. The end of the link. And you're gonna select the \X to the end. You're gonna copy and you're gonna paste that in the YouTube chat. Donc bon matin et bienvenue. Ceci va être une session de trading en direct. Donc je vais être là pour vérifier, en fait, regarder vos charts, vous donner des idées de trade, répondre aux questions. Donc si vous avez des questions en français, gênez-vous pas. Vous pouvez m'envoyer votre chart en cliquant tout simplement sur la caméra ici en haut à droite. Allez à la fin du lien, cliquez sur la barre oblique, sélectionnez la barre oblique jusqu'à la fin de ce lien-là et la coller tout simplement dans le chat YouTube. All right. Let's see here. Can I ask a question? Yes, sure. What are the purple lines on your chart for? The purple line is the major QP, major quarter points. Yes. All right, so now let's take a look at the top-down analysis here. There we go. Donc maintenant, on va faire l'analyse complète. All right, so let's take a look at this monthly candle. So this monthly candle started like what, 5 days ago, 6 days ago? Actually, did I? Yes, okay. Let me just modify something very quickly here before we get going further. Let's click on this. Give me 1 sec here. There we go. That should do it. Hey Armin, what's up? Armin, man. Come on, bro. You're being lazy, man, asking me those questions. What time is the stream? Really, guys? Really? I mean, come on. Look at this. I'll show you a little tip, Armin, for next time. I'm not trying to be rude here. Just like, guys, if you ask those questions, I mean, you gotta investigate on yourself. So you go on YouTube, all right? You go on the channel of the person that you want to look at. So you go trade with, oh, here we go, right here. And you're gonna click here. And look at this, the schedule's right there on top. Woo, all right. So again, Armin, not trying to be rude, but guys, man, you're gonna start investigate for those answers, man. I mean, because if you're being lazy for those kind of answers, man, you're gonna be lazy on the chart. So I mean, come on. Anyways, all right, let's go, man. Sasha, not with the bullshit. I'm dead. Sasha, not with the bullshit. I'm dead. Oh, what I did again. Yeah. What's your analysis for GJ today? I'm doing it right now. All right, so let's take a look. So let's take a look at this monthly now. So this monthly broke previous high, respected previous low so far. Do we have a bottom wick here?
Yeah, we have a small.
Yeah, we have a small wick. Okay, perfect. We might see a retracement down though before going back up stronger. I mean, because we have a tiny wick here. The only reason because it was rangy. But look at this weekly now. Weekly starts to form that bottom wick. Yesterday was bank holiday, right? So, I mean, I got message from people saying like, "Hey, Sasha, did you take any trade today?" I'm like, "What the fuck?" It's like, seriously, guys, why trying to take a trade while half of the planet is in bank holiday? What the hell? It's just like, seriously. I mean, I don't know, man. It's just like, it's driving me nuts sometimes. It's just, I'm trying to be super polite, so trying to help everyone, but you guys, man, don't help yourself. So it's hard for me to help you, you know. So, anyways. Ok, let me do this in French quickly. Donc, si on regarde la chandelle du mois, on a formé une petite chandelle une petite mèche vers le bas, mais j'ai l'impression qu'on va continuer vers le bas, former une plus grande mèche pour pousser vers le haut par après. Pardon. Si on regarde sur le chart de la semaine, on a brisé le haut précédent et là, présentement, on est en train de former la mèche précédente. La seule raison pour laquelle on n'avait pas formé de mèche en bas encore, c'est que hier, c'était congé pour tous les banques pour la plupart. So now, let's take a look at the daily. Alright, so basically daily, but now, I mean, we were forming the bottom wick. We went up first. I mean, like I said, price was rangy, right? So this was Friday, this was yesterday. So the question as why I didn't took a trade today, look at the volume in that daily candle. So do you really want to trade in that? Hell the fuck no. So yeah, anyways. So basically now this daily broke previous high, broke previous low, but I think now we're forming that bottom wick to push back up. But we might see also retracement on daily, maybe for 1 day or two. Because if you look at the daily now, if this daily closed bearish like this, okay, because right now it's not closed. So this, what I'm about to show, it's not valid still. It's going to be valid once that candle is broken. Whoops, wrong tool. So if that candle closed bearish and breaks structure, we might see retracement down on daily around like that 152 major QP to push back after. But this is not valid still. Okay? Donc si on regarde sur le chart journalier, on a brisé le haut précédent, on a brisé le bas précédent. Techniquement, on devrait continuer vers le haut, mais ça fait un petit bout de temps, ça fait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jours qu'on est bullish. Donc peut-être qu'on va voir un retracement vers le bas. Vous avez vu la fibre que j'ai montrée. On devrait voir un retracement aux alentours de 152 si, seulement si cette chandelle-là close bearish comme ça puis qui brise la structure. Okay? Donc pour l'instant, c'est pas valide encore, mais si ça ferme comme ça le sera. Alright,
so this will give us the wick we're looking for in the monthly?
Yeah, kind of. Yes, correct. Yes. So okay. that should continue down. And yeah, we should get, that's going to be our monthly down wick, you know. So, but like I said, price might come down to today and tomorrow, and after that retrace up, you know.
Like you can see a double bottom in the monthly. Does it give us an indication for future prices?
Let me check here. A double what? A double bottom, you said?
Yeah.
Oh, right here?
Yes.
Yes, we need to break that neckline here.
Okay.
Alright, let's go to the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hours, sorry. Forgot the 4 hours. Alright, so looking looking at the 4 hours, let me check something here. Yeah, here we have a nice double top here on that 4 hour. I mean, let me grab an arrow here. So you get this, 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 and this, right? So yeah, kind of right here. So basically, that neckline was the 153 major QP. And once it's broken, price might come down. The only problem with this setup here is that we have support right here. Let's verify how many pips is that. So let's see if we break this support. We have 25 pips-ish, right? So I mean, yes, it's possible to grab like a... What? Guys, you gotta mute yourself. Alright, gotta mute Chuka. I mute myself very quickly just to make sure I'm not getting kicked by copyrights on YouTube. Yeah, guys, coming on Zoom, please mute yourself. Really important, especially if you're listening to music. Especially if you're listening to music. All right. All right, so now let's get back to this. So yes, it's possible to grab a couple pips in that move, so that makes sense. Donc si on regarde présentement sur le H4, on a un double top, donc un double sommet ici, ici. Le neckline est ici sur le 153. Donc si on le brise et qu'on le reteste, ici on a eu le retest sur la mèche. Et on était possible d'aller chercher quelques pips ici parce qu'on a un range de 25 pips. Now let's delete this. Alright, let's move to the 1 hour. Alright, so 1 hour we still have that double top here on 1 hour. But yeah, now at this stage, there's nothing we can do at this stage right here. We are right at support. This is a H4 support plus this is a 750 QP, sorry. So now next step, personally, I don't know. I don't like all that noise here. Just like, ugh, it's ugly. I would like for price to break above this H4 support resistance and continue up, right? But we'll check a look on 30 minute.
Can we expect a retest for the high?
Yeah.
On the 1 hour?
Yes.
Sasha, we go to the 4 hour for a second on GJ. Can you draw your fib? I think it will retrace back to the golden zone from the top to bottom. That push down.
Hold on. Wait a second. This is not valid. Wait a second. Yes, this is valid. Okay, perfect. Okay, hold on. So there to there. Boom. Right on it. Alright, so next move. There to there. This push right here. Alright, perfect. So this is the H4, right? So right in here. Yes. Right in here. Yeah. So this H4 might retrace up, so we don't know, but so far it's respecting that safety net here. But yeah, support can be formed around like 153 to continue up. But the problem is, like, you can do this fib, but I will not look at this fib too much because price was rangy, right? And fibs works best when market is trending. But again, it might give you a good hint though. It might still give a good hint, but I will not take a look at this too much. I'll keep that in mind for sure. But like, look at this. This is super rangy, so I will not trace fibs in that dog shit, right?
Morning, Sasha. Can you hear me?
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. I'm Hugo here.
Hey, Hugo. Welcome to the pack, man.
Yeah, I'm just wondering, how do you draw your fibs? Do you draw it from week to week, or do you use the bodies instead?
Yes, from week to week. There's a video in the course section, but I'm also gonna do a 2.0. I actually did record a 2.0. I just need to finish editing, or I might redo it because I've been listening to it yesterday and I don't really like it, so I might do another recording. But yes, there's going to be a 2.0 also on the fib video. But yes, it's from wick to wick, from the bottom of the push to the top of the push.
All right. Do you consider to draw also a fib from the zone of 152.30 to the top?
Can you show me? Can you took annotation and show me what you mean? If you go on Zoom, you click on annotate, and you'll be able to grab an arrow.
Alright, let me see, how do I do that? Annotate. Okay, I have, okay, and grab an arrow.
Yes.
Okay, so from here, from this zone here.
Okay.
Till here.
Oh no, because you have mini retracement. So as you see,
Oh yeah. I have a 50% in the middle. Is that
yeah.
it?
Well, you have let me grab an arrow here. All right, perfect. So basically, here, whoops, here you have one retracement here that broke structure, but
Yeah.
this play was not completed on the fib level, right? So this one we broke structure, so this is not
Yeah.
valid. This one was rangy, so this is not valid. So the next push after that is like there. So from there to there, but again, now that should be your 50,
Okay.
around there.
Perfect.
Um, but yeah, it's hard to do it. When price is rangy like this, that's why I don't draw fibs because it can work, but it's not the best way to do it.
All right. All right.
It's not as effective like when price is trending.
Yeah.
So if you look at the 30-minute now, you see it like it rejected out that 4-hour support, and if it closes like a bullish candle,
Yeah.
the 750 QP, then that's valid for it to continue, no?
Yeah, that can be valid to continue up, especially that last time we formed support around here, we pushed back up. I mean, this is because it was bank holiday, right? So I mean, all that noise here is bank holiday, so that's why usually I don't trade in those area. But I don't know. This for me, it's like if it's not there, because I mean, we had 2 days. Sorry, we had 2 days of bank holiday. So I mean that's why we have a lot of noise to the left here. Oops. Hold on. Clear out. Alright. So if you look, I mean all that noise is coming since Friday, right? So boom. Friday, Monday. I mean, that was horrible. So yeah, I think that looks good. How many pips is that? It's quite tight though because we got this minor resistance right here on H1. It's pretty clean. So maybe I'll wait for like an H1 support to be formed to have a stronger confirmation in this kind of area because I mean it's Wick City here.
Yeah.
Alright guys, what's up on YouTube? What's up on YouTube? 11 likes and 75%. Come on guys.
Hey, let me go there to give you the like.
Come on, guys. Smash that like button. Alright, so right now my play on YouTube. Holy. My play on GJ. That's a tough morning. Man, waking up was hard this morning. After a couple of days off, whew. Okay, so the play, yes. So might be a buy here if we have a support on H1. But I feel like this thing's gonna come down maybe lower. I don't know. But again, we'll see. We trade what we see. So we'll see if we can break that support and continue down. So basically, I'm gonna be looking for sells under here.
To sell here, we gotta break that low, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And be looking for buys if we form support. If support form on H1 above 750 QP. All right.
So you wanna see a green close in the 1 hour for you to buy, or
Yeah.
you are good with a 30-minute close?
Yeah, usually I go with the 30-minute. It just like I don't know. We'll see how strong this close.
Yes.
Because right now, if it closes like this, for me, it's a no go.
It's weak.
Yeah, it's very weak, and it's still very early. So I mean, I used to rush trades coming on the chart. Now these days, I'm just like, I chill. I'm being more patient. It's less quantity. Yeah, less quantity, better quality, right? So All right, so let me hit that smash button here on the screen. Bam! Just to remind YouTube to give a like to the stream. I mean, because if not, man, screw this. I'm gonna do that one day a week then. Um, you just can't be polite anymore, bro. Just gotta hit them how it is. Oh, Carl Pierre. Bonjour, Carl Pierre. You're right. Renko, go long at market. ECAD for an easy 100 pips. Oh, easy 100 pips. Shit, boy. Good morning, Ryan. Good morning, Nav. All right.
Morning, such a boy.
Oh, what's up, Mark the Stash?
En direct du nouveau spot.
Ah, ben ouais, toi, regardons ça. C'est vrai que c'est un nouveau décor.
Yeah.
Ah, vue sur le frigidaire. On n'aille pas ça, on n'aille pas ça.
Ah ouais. Mais,
Comme ça, on va le savoir quand tu vas chercher ta banane.
C'était basic.
On va le savoir quand tu vas chercher ta banane, tu sais.
Quand je vais faire mon déjeuner, ça va être un.
Ça va être live. Ouais, c'est ça. Tu nous feras un petit
Je vais avoir un
épisode.
chart dans le chat.
Tu nous feras un petit épisode de, tu sais, de Marc de Stache version Ricardo, là, tu sais.
Yeah. Ça pourrait être une bonne version.
Completely forgot the chat, guys, on Zoom.
Yeah, je t'échaîne un chart sur un GE.
Alright. Je vais aller sur le top, je vais pogner barre.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys, I completely forgot about the chat. Alright, so this is Bar's trade. Oh man, hold on, wait a second. Monthly resistance, okay. Monthly and weekly.
This is on the monthly, we already talked about.
Yeah.
Just send it when we open the.
Oh, okay, perfect. That's good.
There's another one on the 1 hour.
Alright. So buy if close major QP retests the new high, no trade zone. Sell if close on the support. That's perfect, man. You see? Perfect. Excellent, Bob. Excellent.
If you draw a fib on the 30-minute for the last drawdown.
No, you cannot do it on the bearish side because I mean you're trending up. So if you do your fib bearish, you're putting them against each other, which doesn't work. You gotta go with the trend. And this is a live chart. Look at this. But Mark, I think you're missing your marking.
Ouais, mais ça, c'est pas le bon, là.
No, yeah.
Juste un fixe chart à la place.
Yeah, I don't know why sometimes.
Facebook, ça va à part, là.
Sometimes, yeah, look at this. This is Facebook. What the hell?
C'est bizarre, hein?
Yeah, that's weird. Sometimes the live chart, I don't know why it doesn't update. You gotta make sure you click this cloud
Yeah, peut-être.
before sending it. Now we definitely know that you check the Facebook stock now.
All-time high, baby.
This one here. Alright.
Yep.
New highs made. Let's see what happened here on H1 M30. Moving bullish at the moment. Awesome. Yep. Same. Makes sense. That was GA though, eh?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at GA. I didn't do GA yet. Because I think
I was going to ask you that.
Yeah, almost forgot. Alright, let's do GA. Let's remove that smash button. We have 40 likes. Let's get to 50 on YouTube. Come on, 50 likes. 50 likes incoming. We have more than 80 people. We should get 50 easy. Alright, let's take a look at this. Monthly. Alright, so monthly so far broke previous high, respected previous low. We're trending bullish. Alright. Donc, sur le chart du mois, on a brisé le haut précédent, on a respecté le bas précédent. On est en train de trender à la hausse. Looking at the weekly, I mean, the weekly is barely started, right? Because yesterday was bank holiday, so at this stage, we don't have a lot of info. Donc, si on regarde, I said, did I say daily? Weekly? Whatever. Whatever, this is a weekly chart. Donc, sur le chart de la semaine, on n'a pas vraiment d'indication. On est en formation doji pour l'instant, mais c'était un congé hier férié, donc les machines n'étaient pas ouvertes pour la plupart. Donc ceci, on n'a pas beaucoup d'indications. Si on regarde le chart journalier, donc jusqu'à maintenant, si on regarde, vendredi, on a fermé bearish, mais encore une fois, la plupart étaient fermés, c'était des journées fériées. Aujourd'hui aussi, regardez le peu de volume qu'il y avait. So if you look at the candle from Friday, closed bearish, small doji, so it's kind of, those two candles are kind of write-off candle for me anyways. But, so far, I mean, we broke previous high, respected previous low, but I can see price coming down a little bit and, refill this wick here on this daily wick fill. Donc, ceci est quelque chose de possible qu'on voit un remplissage de mèche sur le chart journalier. Looking at 4 hours now, I mean, 4 hours just rangy.
Sach, excuse de t'interrompre, mais là, la H1 vient de close si jamais tu veux faire un petit rundown
Hey,
de
merci.
ce qui se passe sur DJ.
Merci de me ramener à l'ordre. Alright, let's take a look at GJ because this 1 hour, thank you to Mark to get me back in order. H1 just closed bearish, 30-minute closed small doji. So for me, this is not a strong enough confirmation. Maybe if this 30-minute form a bottom wick and break the high, that can be good. But for me, in my own rules, it's too early for an impulse entry. So I'm gonna wait. Yeah.
I was actually looking at that potential dog tail because you have that lower wick that forms, so
Yeah.
at the bottom. So hopefully you can respect that, and maybe if it can come down to like 152 something. Oh, it's creating that tail right now. So if it breaks above, maybe.
Yeah, if it breaks above, I'm pretty sure we should go tap at least into that major QP. It's just like for me, yeah, I set up those rules and I want to make sure I stick to it, right? So, but I really think if we break this high, it should continue. All right, let's go back to GA for a second. All right, so GA now. Let's go back to the daily. We were at the weekly right now. Okay. All right, so we talk about that weekly. Let's talk about the daily. All right, we did that. Now let's go to 4 hours. Okay. All right, so H4 support right here. Actually, let's do this right here. This is a new high being formed on H4. Price retrace down. So basically here we add this push to this push. And we went straight in the golden zone here on H4, and now we're starting to pull back up, but here was rangy because it was bank holiday, right? But normally price would have hit this place and push back up. So, yeah. Donc, si on regarde sur le 4 heures, le FIB, le prix est revenu retracé dans la golden zone. Donc, on serait bon là, pour continuer vers le haut. La seule et unique raison pourquoi on n'a pas eu un bon push vers le haut, ben, c'est parce qu'on a eu 2 jours consécutifs de fériés pour les banques pour la plupart. Donc, c'est pas mal la raison. Now, if you look at H1, H1 was rangy also. Like everything else. No,
It was a nice fake out there, wasn't it?
Yeah, this one right here, yeah. So that's why that's why consolidation, you want to wait for a break and retest, right? So that's why you want to wait for a break and retest.
Well, you kind of have it in there, isn't it? You have the break in one candle, and you have the retest in the second bullish candle with the dogtail setup.
Yeah, but depends. At that time, at midnight, it's not a time.
Yeah. That's midnight there?
Yeah, but it's midnight here. That means it's 5 a.m.
It's like 5 a.m. Yeah,
5 a.m. in UK or 6 a.m. in UK. So this is really early for an impulse entry on the London market, right? So there's no volume. So that's why this candle closed like this. So you should not take a dogtail on this kind of setup at that time. Dogtail works great when there's volume in the market, right? So this would be not valid as a retest. You want a classic break and retest at that time.
So if it was like middle of London session or beginning of New York, that would be an entry for sure.
Yeah. If it was NY Open or NYSC or London Open or London Close, that you know that there's volume, yeah, that would bigger chance to work, you know.
Okay.
All right, so now let's put this. So we got this QP right here. All right, so let's move this zone right here because this is the newest traffic. All right, so we got a new high now. So yeah, I think if we form support here with a stronger candle, because I mean this is really weak. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, it's nice engulfing 30-minute, but I don't know, man. This is a mess. This is a mess. The past 2 days, the past 2 holidays, I mean, created a mess.
Puis tu sais, en plus, on a quand même closé doji, puis on a fait une belle wick sur 750, et on rejette en même temps cette résistance-là aussi.
Exact. Puis tu regarde les deux mèches, les deux barres sont égales, c'est comme...
Ouais. Puis qu'on fait des creux plus bas ici aussi.
Ouais. Donc, c'est pas tant excitant, là.
Non.
So far, nothing really exciting, to be honest, guys. I'm not looking at anything solid on GJ or GA so far. So I think this morning, it's gonna have to be very patient. It might be a no-trade day. Who knows? It's possible, you know. It's really possible. All right, so we got 100 people here on YouTube. All right, so now let's get back this smash button here. All right, smash that like button, guys. Enough joking now. I mean, we got 100 people. We should get way more than 50. All right.
Sasha, can you please check my analysis at Discord?
Sure. Can you paste it on the chat, on the Zoom chat?
I don't know.
Oh, because I don't know if I go on Discord. Hold on, wait a second. If I go on Discord, can I put it on this screen? It's the one on London session?
Yes.
Give me 1 sec here. And now I don't see the camera, but who's talking? Is that Roman?
It is Roman.
Okay, so here, this one. Okay, let's see if that works. This one?
Yes.
Okay, perfect, excellent. All right, so let's take a look at this. All right, so price range. Okay, we broke support. Price broke 250 QP level. Excellent. Nice dogtail on H1 time frame. What time was that?
It's 30 minutes right now, but I put my sell stop order based on 1 hour.
Okay. Took an entry after we formed a dogtail and started broking H1 low candle. Here, okay. All right, here. I took an entry after we formed. So you took an entry on this candle, right?
Yes, I was thinking that one candle before it's not enough tail for token dogtail setup. So I was waiting, and on 1 hour it was so much cleaner than on 30 minutes.
Oh yeah, definitely. Oh, but that's 15 minutes though.
No, it's 30.
Oh, it's 30. Oh, because I see your. Okay, perfect. Took an entry here. London Open candle, we expect volume. Yeah, especially if this is London Open, and you need to check this, but most of the time London's gonna push hard. So even if you see a tiny wick, usually I will not take this, but in London Open, you probably can expect, especially if you start breaking that low. I mean, this thing's gonna come down, especially on London Open. I mean, if you look at the simulation we did this weekend about London, that candle, man, on that opening is always pushing hard. So I mean, you can expect that even if it's a tiny wick, you can expect price to continue. So I think it was still good to grab it from here. Um, and here, yeah, I mean, after that, you probably gotta be stop at break even, right, with your runner. Now, I mean, I think your runner is still in play. You should put your stop at break even now, and should be good.
Yeah, it was similar as on the last week we took a GA sell. My stop loss was above QP and this range, so I was waiting, and then I put my stop loss above the 30-minute candle, uh, which I took a sell.
Yeah, that's good, man. How many pips you got?
12.
Perfect, man. Secure profits and run.
Yes.
That's good, man.
Thank you.
Nice anticipation of that volume. All right. Man, students are putting in the work. Oh, look at this. 30-minute now. Looking good, looking good. We should tap this major QP easily. Now that we broke that high, I mean that Wigman form. Yeah, we should tap this major QP. All right, let's take a look here. Hold on, wait a second. We got some charts here on YouTube also. Oh, we got a chart from Malik. Let's take a look at Malik. All right. Whoa, Malik, what's up with that? Man, is that abstract art? No, I'm making fun, right? What is all those lines here? Ooh, it's cute. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Malik, man, I need some labels. What's up with that? Malik, are you there?
It's just
Yeah.
support levels and resistance where price reacted off where I marked it.
Okay. Because right now I see a lot of colored lines. I see circle. Okay, so basically you're taking your entry here on this opening of the
I
candle.
didn't take it, but it's just a paper trade.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it makes sense. It's just like, for me, it was still... Oh, this is on GA. Hold on, wait a second. Yeah. I mean, this was a nice, bullish candle. So, yeah, I mean, that makes sense. It was just like, it's so noisy lately in this...
Yeah, all the consolidation.
Yeah, just...
And that QP there.
QP right in the face. I don't know. But I still think we're going to retest this new high, though. So you should be good. We just got to make sure that this candle breaks this high, and you should continue up. At least to this minor resistance right here. Okay, let's take a look here. We got charts. I saw a chart somewhere. Okay, here we have a gold chart. So now that means I'm gonna have to go take a look at gold. God damn it. Here we go. So this is coming from Bahatara. All right. This is gold. All right. Buy zone, sell zone. Okay. Simple as that. I guess that makes sense. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at gold. All right. All right, so this is the monthly chart, I mean. So all right, so price went up, create a new high, price came down. This is the monthly chart, right? So this is a long-term shot. If you trade the monthly chart, price looked like we're coming back up. We're probably in monthly fib here, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, right here. So we're right in the monthly fib, so we should see price coming back up this stage. Donc si on regarde sur le chart du mois avec le gold, on est dans une réjection Fibonacci, donc on devrait voir le prix remonter vers le haut. If you look, I'm gonna do gold pretty quickly here. Here, looking at the weekly, I mean this new candle, I mean, wow, look at this thing here. Holy, what a rejection. So we should get some bullish pressure this week, because I mean that's a huge rejection here. Holy. And we were right at previous support. Okay. Looking at the daily got a double bottom. I mean, if we break this neckline here, this shit's gonna skyrocket at least to 1809, around there. Looking at 4 hours. Let's remove all this. All right. Boom. Where is Mr. Miller?
C'est vrai, hein? D'habitude, c'est son heure, là, 6 heures, 6 heures.
Ah, c'est vrai, hein?
C'est d'accord. Le soleil d'en face esti comme s'il était 1h15.
Alright, so looking at H1 on gold, I mean, we were right in that golden zone. Push back up. Alright. Okay.
You don't trade gold, right?
No, I don't trade gold. This is just for fun.
One day.
I don't know. I don't see the need, you know?
Yeah, indeed. Yeah.
I don't see why people is all excited about gold. It's just like it's fun. It moves fast,
I think it's the fast moves. People get excited with the fast moves.
It just I understand why you have to trade gold, you know? It looked like there's a non-written book that says that, hey man, at one point you need to go trade gold. It's like, I'll trade gold when, you know, I don't see any more challenge with GJ and GA, you know? But yeah, people is in a rush to trade gold, man. They're like, hey man, I want you to show me how to trade gold. I'm like, why? It's like, why are you doing this to yourself? It's just like, man, why people...
It's like torture.
Yeah, it's like, why people like blowing their account? It's just like, it's so weird. Because you know...
With GJ, you have an opportunity almost every single day. So
exactly. So, man, I'm dude, I'm paying the bills with GJ, so why should I go trade gold and, you know, lose money? I was like, fuck that. I like to win. And I don't care. It's just like, I don't care if it becomes, it's not easy, but it become easier or simpler for me to trade GJ and GA. I don't care. You know, I spend so much time on those pairs, so, I mean... So.
It just takes one instrument. You
Yeah.
can do all the money you want in one instrument.
Hey, you know what? You can also do it with one candle, because I actually just proved it on that simulator. As you pass that challenge, pass the funding talent challenge on that simulator in 10 trades, trading one candle, the same candle, same pair for 10 trade, and pass that challenge with 10 trades.
Cocktail setup on the New York candle.
Yeah, but
That's the candle.
shh, don't tell too loud. This is a secret. No, I'm joking. But yeah, I mean that one candle, one pair, you know.
Yeah.
So that means that if you focus on one thing and you master that thing, I mean that's it. So why trying to, be all over the place? I don't know. Just for me, it doesn't make sense. So I think this was a nice. If you look here, yeah. So I think gold. I mean, this is the 5 minute, right? Do we have something here on 30 minute? Oh, right here. Yeah, if we break under here though. Yeah. So yeah.
Gold is more an impulse thing.
Yeah.
An impulse trade kind of thing, isn't it? More than close waiting. If we wait for the closes, we are always late on gold, isn't it?
Yeah, it depends on the setup, but most of the time it's impulse entry, right? Most of the time, because gold is moving so fast. But it depends. If you trade gold on a higher time frame, it's different. But you know, people that trade gold on a higher time frame, a lot of respect, because I mean, you gotta hold your shit and draw down for a while, and I cannot do that. I can't. It's just.
JA is about to break the high. Yeah, it's broke.
Yep. Nice. Very nice. Yeah,
Range
this
is
thing,
just-
this thing
oh,
should
yeah.
should retest this new high for sure.
Yeah, on 30 minutes, the range is too small. It's like 13 pips. Mais sur GG, là, admettons, si on forme un creux en ce moment, on pourrait peut-être aller former résistance à 153 pour aller retest le low. Malgré qu'on est bullish, mais tu sais, notre move immédiat, ça a été un bearish push.
Ouais, ça peut faire du sens. Mais tu sais, encore une fois, le problème, là,
Ouais.
c'est que c'est dégueulasse.
Not an easy morning.
No, with all that noise here, it's I don't know. But same thing with GJ. We should retest that new high.
Yeah.
Sasha, I took it, but like with the really low risk after the break of the high.
Break the high, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm not gonna take it. I mean, that's better if I take it with the lower risk, right?
Yep.
Yeah, with the lower risk, I think it makes sense, to be honest.
Yeah.
Because I mean, yeah, what you have at 18, you can put it at 15 pip stop, right? Kind
Yeah,
of right here.
750.
Yeah. And you can tap this QP, at least.
Yeah.
So you got the 13 pips. So
Yeah,
you
that's my first target actually.
yeah, it should be fine. Might see trouble here. So if you see trouble here, just make sure that you put your stop at break even, and
It would be you are looking for the break of that next QP, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Or I want a H1 that close bullish.
Alright.
Because when that 30 minute closed bullish here, the H1 was still bearish.
Yeah,
Now
yeah,
that we broke the high, this H1 is now bullish.
yeah.
So H1 is a better confirmation, right? Same thing with here. On G, it's different because now it's the second H1 that's going to be bullish. Now, H1 actually broke previous high, so this is strong.
In GJ.
Yeah, in GA.
In GA, yeah,
Um, Euro GPY, GPP. Yes, you can sell your chart Atira Baby. Atira Baby. Okay. Hey Sasha. Hey Regis. What's good, buddy? Not much, man. A little tired, man. It was pretty good, but when two Friday and Monday I didn't trade, so slept a little later, and now it doesn't take a lot of time to get back into the habit of sleeping. So this morning I had to snooze 15 minutes. Actually, usually I don't snooze because if you snooze, you lose, right? Marky Levis, hello.
Yeah, that's my vibe. It was 3 4 times.
That's it.
Arriving late at the stream. God damn.
150 people, 60 like. Come on, guys, this is unacceptable.
Sorry about risk reward, so no.
This is not a good risk reward, guys. Come on, smash that like button. It takes 1 second. I don't ask for much. I don't ask for much, guys. Just a little like, and I'll be very happy. All right. Let's see here. Huh. Okay. This was this night. Okay. Nothing else. I check both because sometimes they got some different stuff. I don't know why. Yeah, not much AUD here, but not much. Not much. Okay. And no, you're not gonna be hearing me talking about the C word. Cause yeah, anyways. Cause I know I had some questions. People was like, hey, what do you think about that? What do you think about this? I think when you're on a public platform, you should, yes, you can voice your opinion. That's fine. But there's three things to start a war, right? Or to start a discussion. There's politics, there's religion, and now that's the C word.
Football.
So This is the three thing to start an argument or start, a freaking stupid ass discussion. So you don't talk about those three things, and we should have a positive environment to trade, and it's gonna be fun, But if you talk about those three things, I mean, shit's gonna be a little tense, right? And I don't like those, so I'm not gonna talk about it. I like positive vibes and chill, right? So yeah, so if you see me talking about one of those things, because something really, 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 really pissed me off. I mean, I shouldn't say
Aussi,
that.
à cette heure, il doit y avoir certains robots des règlements spéciaux qui écoutent sur YouTube pour checker un peu l'info qui se promène et bloquer des streams. Là.
Absolument.
Man.
No, absolument. Oh, Chuka. Goodbye forming on GU. Alright, let's take a look at this. Goodbye if support form here with possible bullish engulfing in the next few candle. Price came up. Oh yeah. That would be nice. 83 pip range. Yeah, that's good.
GA closed on QP.
What time is it? 6:30? Oh.
Yeah, 30-minute candle.
Woof. Woof. Borderline. Woof. Yeah, it should be good. This next candle is gonna wick down a little bit and should continue up.
Puis même GJ il a pas closé avec une grosse wick. Mais tu sais, si on forme support en H1.
Ah ouais, si on forme support en H1, oh oui, absolument.
Beam traffic à gauche pour clearer tous ces sites là.
Yeah. No, if we form support on H1, I think that would make sense. But right now it's just like I don't know. I'm not in a rush.
Non.
First day back on the chart, after like a long weekend, 4 days off trading. Just gonna be chilling, waiting for a safe opportunity, and I'm not in a rush. Because you know what? The good news is there's always tomorrow. Let's see here on YouTube. Good morning, people. 1 to 2 trade per session is all it takes. Definitely, yes. Alright, so we're good here. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna mute here, and I'll be right back.
gonna send the chart in the chat, the Zoom chat if you guys wanna check this out on GAH1, just to be sure that everyone can see what I mean. Just 1 second. So
We send it to secret channel. Secret chat.
Oh yeah. That's a nice target. Yeah, it's where the resistance in the 30-minute hit.
Yeah.
All right, man. My allergy is up to the roof again.
Ooh, spring is coming
Oh
hard.
yeah, man, it's coming hard at me.
Yeah.
So I wanna go grab some allergy pills, but the wifey was busy with the bathroom, and when she's putting her makeup, I'm not allowed in that bathroom.
Zone sinistrée pour une demi-heure.
Ouais, so j'ai pas le droit d'être là quand elle se maquille, man. Yeah. It's terrible, man. Allergy sucks. Alright. Let's see now. 636. Alright, 636. Now GA is pushing back up. I think if you got your trade from here, definitely make sure stick your profits, you know. But this runner should tap into this major QP. But I think here can be around around 900. I think can be a pretty good TP here. Because if you see all those rejection here, yeah, definitely. GG on the other end is about got 25-ish minutes left in that 1 hour. Yep. That looks good. It looks pretty good.
Sasha, will you try this funding talent again or not?
I don't know. I need funding talent to answer my message about converting those referrals into a challenge.
Oh, okay.
Because they want to send me the money and me to buy the challenge after, but I'm like, guys, I don't want an income. So it's just like the only reason why I'm taking the challenge is to avoid receiving an income. That's the only reason. If not, I'll keep the money and pay tax on it, and I'm not gonna buy the challenge. But if people can convert it to the challenge, I'll do it. But yeah. And I know it might sounds weird for people, but tax wise, when you're having a certain income, you want to make sure that you don't reach the next bracket, because yeah.
You have big taxes in Canada, right?
We have what? Sorry.
I'm asking about taxes.
Yeah, taxes.
Canada.
Yes. Yeah, taxes are pretty hard. They are really expensive. So I mean, let's say you do.
Healthcare is free, right? So.
Oh yeah, health is free. I mean, healthcare is free. So I mean, yes, it's expensive, but I mean, on the other hand, I will not trade it for the. And again, I don't want to start a war here with my American friends, but I really enjoy my healthcare services. Even if we have a lot of people complaining about it. I mean, anyways.
School too.
School. I mean, yeah. So I mean, everything's expensive, but I think it's worth it at the end. So. But when you're younger, you don't understand that. When you get older, I mean, you understand more, right? But yeah, if you in Canada, if you make like 100K per year, you're left in your pocket probably with around like 60K, 65, somewhere around there.
Oh, that's crazy, man.
Yeah, so 65, maybe 70. Maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, But yeah. So that's why now I'm at the
In Russia,
stage.
we pay 6% from income. So basically, if you've got 100,000 per year, you will pay 6,000, and that's it.
Yeah, here if you look,
Ici, si tu fais 100K, tu payes la moitié.
ouais, non, c'est ça. C'est ça que je disais, man. C'est impôt. So if you look at here, impôt Québec, c'est comment est-ce qu'on appelle ça, les braquettes, niveau.
Impôt Québec bracket, il était là.
Ah ouais?
Ouais.
Ouh, là.
Attends, j'essaie de te le souvenir avec tu le trouves.
Ah, il est là.
Ouais.
So you see, if you do 44K and less, it's 15%. If you do 45K and plus, this is 20%, 25, and you see over 100, that's 25%. So right now I'm sitting, just above that, and there's another bracket at 125, and I want to break it. So so that's why.
So if you make more money, you pay more taxes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's how it works, basically. So that's why I'm trying to convert that referral money into a challenge, and if it's doable, perfect. That would be amazing. I'm probably gonna give it another try, but if not, I'm just gonna focus on my own thing again.
Well, in the UK, above 100k, you pay like 50% tax. Something like that.
15?
50.
50?
Yes.
Woo!
Yeah.
Shit, I thought we were expensive. Holy.
In Italy too, 50% tax.
Oh,
Yeah,
they.
It's off of your money. It's off of your money. That's it. Between 50 and 100k, you pay 40%.
It's a lot.
Yeah. And below 50k, you pay only 20.
Yeah, David says here on YouTube, you don't get taxed on trading. Let me tell you, dude, you get taxed on anything. Let's put it this straight. As soon as that's why I don't do a lot of withdrawals, right? That's why I don't do a lot of withdrawals, because I don't need it. And until it's in my trading account, it's not taxed, right? So the day that you withdraw, now it becomes an income. So now you're gonna be taxed on that. So as soon as you withdraw, those are considered as revenue. And yes, if you don't declare it, of course. But if you don't declare it and you're riding McLaren, let me tell you, they're gonna knock on your door and be like, "Hey, dude, what's up?" Your revenue says 20K, but you have a $100,000 car in the parking lot. Something is not right. So trust me, man. If you try to fuck around with the government, man, you will lose all day long. I'm telling you. I tried that when I was younger. I was doing a lot of network marketing, right? And I was doing pretty good for myself. Did some really, really, really good money, and I didn't pay taxes for 3 or 4 years. And let me tell you, when that shit hit you in the face, holy, that hurt.
They came for you.
Oh man, they came back at me. They took back my car. Dude, let me tell you, I was in a shithole. I was really, dude, I had some really dark moment in my life, man. It's a good thing I didn't have rope near my hand, because I'm telling you, I was this close. Oh, man, I'm telling you, man, the day that it came back to take my car, man, I was like, holy shit. Yep. So it is what it is, man. You gotta play by the rules, and you understand that when you get older, obviously. But just keep in mind, man, there's no going around. There's no shortcuts. Play fair, and life's gonna be fair with you. That's it. If you are funded, you could pay for your own healthcare. Yeah, but if you get, it depends. If you get fund, I don't care because even if I was in the U.S. with the money, with the salary I have, I can pay for my healthcare too. Doesn't matter. But the problem is you live in a society, right? So, and it's not fair for someone that making more money for someone that's dying out there. For me, that's not. I'm not like that. I'm the kind of guy who likes to share. So I don't care. You know yes, at the end it hurts when you see it, but when you look at the bigger picture, trying to build something better here for everyone, I think it makes sense. And I think that's why a lot of people wants to come in Canada because I mean we all look at each other and take care of each other, right? So, anyways, let's not start. I said I'm not gonna be talking about those kind of things, so I'm gonna stop right now. All right. Uh, all right. So let's see here. You only get taxed the higher percentage on the extra amount you make over the previous bracket, right? Yes, correct. Jefferson eliminated taxes, and there was no personal income tax in the U.S. till '79, then only 3% for the population. Oh, that's pretty good. Um, no, it's not the government confiscates my car. It's the tax people. So, well, actually, let's put that story straight. The tax people came at me because I own money, like a lot of money, like lots of money, uh, and I was not able to pay it. So they were seizing my paycheck. So by seizing my paycheck, I cannot make the payment for the car. So the bank came back at the door and said, "Hey, you didn't pay your car, so we're taking back the car." So the bank actually took back the car, but it was caused by that ripple effect, right? So, hey, Francesco, take care, man. Good lunch. Hey, Francesco, man, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much for that gift, man. I received a nice hoodies from those guys here on. You can go on Spotify. This is one of our trader here, one of our student. Um, Here, those guys. Here, the Fuller Tones. Man, really good. Francesco here is the singer. He sent me T-shirt, CD, and T-shirt. Man, of the group. I was so excited because I really enjoy this music. It's really really good. Give it a try, guys. Follow those guys on Instagram. They're really good, man. Oh, oui, tu peux rentrer. Tu peux rentrer, chérie. Ah, ok, merci.
G is rejecting
That's
so
normal.
hard.
That QP hit hard, man.
Yes.
Here goes the
I'm
magic
so
pill.
glad I didn't take that.
All right, let's
Yeah,
take.
man, QP don't work.
Yeah. There we
I
go.
mean, the range is too small. 13 pips till next resistance. Yeah.
Whew. Sheesh. Look at this.
Yeah.
That is insane. All right, so we got 12 minutes left for this candle here. Oh, here's a chart from John. All right. Let's see. Looking for buys above this area. When this is 9:33. Okay. Stop loss will candle be below H1 candle, but managing trade on M30. This whole area is choppy, so we'll have to be careful. All right, that's good, man. Good plan. Looking at the same thing here. Good job, John. Um, And I'm thinking about taking that. If they convert those referrals for funding talent, probably gonna trade that funding talent account with that new setup only. I'll try it. And I think it's gonna be a fun video. I think I think I'm gonna record everything because I'm gonna be trading one candle. You know, I mean maybe the runner is gonna run, but the trade's gonna be based on the same candle every day.
I think it's so great. You can show up just like once a day.
Yeah.
30 minutes.
You know, it was not the first time for me doing that simulation, but now it's just like that was the third time doing it. Actually, the second time doing it, and it was pretty. I mean, you look at the result. I mean,
Yeah.
I'll show people on YouTube. Okay, we'll share a little bit because I'm like that. Let's go to here. So this is our Discord. Where did I post that? Here, general. So here was the result here. I was testing the funding talent challenge. Need to do 8K profit. Oh, guys, mute yourself on Zoom if you're not talking because there's some background noise. I don't know who, but someone's having some background noise. So basically, did one candle. So it took. I did like more than the requested is 8,000. The amount requested. I did 775 more. So basically here, if you look, I did I did 10 trade totals. So number of trade, 10, 8 wins, 2 losses. So one freaking candle. So pass that challenge in 10 days, basically.
Sasha, and spreads are pretty big, right? Almost 2 pips.
Spread was almost 2 pips, yes, average.
Yeah.
So my spread's gonna be lower than that, of course. And if you look, I did the verification, man. I was going at it. I was like, I was like, oh shit, I passed it way more, because the verification is like 4K, and look at the account, it's at 15K profit. So total should be 12K with verification, but I already have 775 more. But still, I mean, I did more than requested in what, 14 trades total. So it took me 4 trade more for verification, basically. Yeah, so I think that was pretty good. That was pretty fun. But that was with the 2019 market. So today I'm gonna try one with 2021. I'm gonna start from probably mid-January. Probably gonna start February. Yeah, I'm gonna simulate February and see if it works with the 2021 market. But it should be the same. Figo, are you ever surprised by how much better you've gotten? You must have been like everyone else in the beginning and wondering what if. Now look at ya, markets are your bitch. Yeah, and you know the funny thing is, and Mark can say something about that, because Mark has been we've been together for a while. I mean, and man, we evolved so fast, man. And I remember also. Yeah, I mean, from April last year to this year, man, it's huge, the difference. And I remember last year, or maybe a year and a half ago, I was talking to one of my friends also. His name is Jonathan, and Jonathan's also trading. And I was talking to him. I was like, man, I feel it. I'm so close. I'm just missing a small thing. I'm just missing that thing. I'm so close to it. I see the chart more clearly. I'm so close. I knew I was feeling it. I can almost touch it, and it finally came, right? So, but yeah, man, it's and I know it pissed people off to hear this, but it's just time. To be honest, it's simple as that, man. It's just put times in the chart, and give yourself some times, and you'll make it.
Yeah.
This is just a matter of building confidence. Sasha, how do you pay when you trade? How do you pay when I trade?
C'est le market. C'est la
I don't I don't I don't pay to trade. I'm getting paid to trade.
Yeah, that's right.
So I'm not sure.
Peut-être des commissions par lot.
Maybe you mean how do I get my money? I don't know. Maybe I'm not sure I'm getting the question. All right, so now we got 4 minutes left for GJ. Let's take a look at GJ. So GJH1 look like it's closing bullish in just a couple minutes, but this 30-minute flipped bearish. So I don't know about that. I don't know. We'll see. Let's wait 4 minutes. GA on the other end is also rejecting. That's 750 QP. Yeah, boring. How do you pay when you trade? Oh, the tax. It's based on your income that it's based on the amount you withdraw. So it goes. You need to add this amount to your other revenues. I mean, here in Quebec, but anything else more specific, I don't know, because I pay someone for that. It's called CPA. You know.
Well, we can always trade in crypto, isn't it? And
Oh yeah.
as long as it doesn't go into your bank account, you have no problems with it.
Exactly. But again, when you want to pay something, most of the time, yes, there's some place now you can use your Bitcoin, right? But most of the place, you're gonna have to withdraw money. You're gonna have to transfer Bitcoins into money to pay for something. Yes, Tesla now, you can buy Tesla. You can buy, there's a couple of stuff you can buy. But
You can buy pretty much everything in Amazon and eBay now. because
yeah,
there is-
it's starting to. It's starting to be better and better.
Tu sais, quand tu recommences à retirer 3, 4, 5 000 par mois, là, c'est pas ta mère qui te donne de l'argent pour faire
No,
des-
c'est ça. That's the other point. Also, Mark is pointing. It's like there's okay, but I mean, if you're living out of that, at one point, I mean, the tax people is gonna come knock at the door because I mean,
Yeah.
you cannot pay for your house. I mean, if you pay for your house with Bitcoin and your grocery every day, and you're not declaring any revenue, I mean, they're gonna ask
you'll
some
get in
question.
trouble for sure.
They're gonna have some question, right?
Yeah. I was long on GA, but I cut it off. I was not feeling all right with this reject. So I just
Oh,
cut it off.
yeah. That's fine. Yeah, that's why when I said up here, when that 30-minute was here, I was like, yeah, secure some profits, you know, put your
Until
stop
I
and break
entered in
even.
the break of the 1 hour, so the 1 hour high. Maybe it was late for an entry, wasn't it?
Oh, you took it on the break of this high?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no. That's too late. Yeah. Because at this time you don't know if the QP is gonna be rejected.
Yeah.
You need to close above the QP to have a confirmation that we're gonna continue up.
So what do you think I should have entered in the close of the 1 hour in there?
Yeah, you wait for the close, either the 1 hour for sure. And this one closed like directly at the 750 QP. So I mean, yeah, a tiny thing above, but this is not a strong close above. So this is risky, right? So
Yeah.
it's barely rejecting, So especially this previous week rejected hard. This one closed right at it, so if you enter this, it's on a smaller risk, but yeah, no. Because look at the thing is you gotta look always left, right? So look at how many rejection we got to this QP. You know, so this QP is really hard. You see that? There's many weight rejection here. So you got to be very, very careful. All right, so Gigi just closed, and we got a doji on 30-minute. And we have a bullish on H1. So there's a no-go here. Especially now. This
range aussi pour aller à 153 et de genre 9 pips là.
Ouais. And up here, if you take it here on the H1, that's a good point that Mark just said. If you look here, not even 10 pips, you know, to that QP. So it's a really tight range now. So if I was taking this, I wanted something strong. And this, yeah, this is a write-off candle for me. But still, I mean, especially now, we just broke the previous low, so on that doji. So it doesn't look good right now. We might see a double bottom form and push back up after. That would be fun. And right now we are forming like higher lows. I mean lower highs. Yeah, sometimes the translation in my head. So probably now it's gonna retest that low.
Yeah, it might do a double bottom or
Yeah.
or it might break.
Yeah, it's either this. It's either this or it's gonna be this and this.
Yeah.
Yeah, so next hour will be opening of New York session, right? So
Yeah. Yeah, so far no trade. Been super cautious. I mean, it's like today it's like Monday, right? Because yesterday was closed. Most of the banks were closed. And Friday too, so Mr. Miller, what's up?
Il est où le petit chat?
Ah, il est là, il est là.
Là-bas. Je suis là depuis le début, moi, là.
Ah, il en dit de la merde, là.
Non, j'ai un petit pickle this morning.
Ah, t'as mangé le petit pickle?
Non.
Bon, Phil, il y a un petit pickle.
Ah, ok. On l'aime, Phil.
How's the apartment, Mark?
Feeling good,
Nice,
man. Yeah.
Nice.
All alone?
Je vous enverrai mon. Je vais envoyer mon bureau de trading que j'ai fait dans Discord.
Nice.
Man, c'est.
You
That's
alone?
pretty lit.
T'es seul, right?
Yeah.
T'es où? T'es au-dessus du travail. T'es proche du travail, me semble, c'est ça?
Ouais, je suis à 3 portes. Je peux aller travailler en pantoufle.
Nice.
Fait que ça me donne une demi-heure de plus pour trader, puis je peux même arriver à 9h et tout. Fait que là, c'est parfait.
That's nice.
Oh, nice.
Ouais, je me suis mis les pieds aux bonnes places, live là.
Sure.
C'est à ton boss?
Yeah.
Ah, c'est cool, man. Very nice, very nice. So, this weekend I went to Paintball Mirabel with my kid, and that was fun.
Est-ce que ça doit fesser, man?
T'as fait un pinball?
Non, j'ai juste joué au
Oh
solitaire.
man, ça pince là.
Ben non.
Depends where. Some spots là, the ribs.
And now I'm looking because now I've I was feeling really nostalgia. Nostalgic. Can you say that?
You were feeling nostalgia, but you're nostalgic.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, exactly.
So, anyways, so now I'm looking to maybe get back at it.
Ouh! On se part vers une équipe et on va des Warriors.
Les dogs.
Puis
So
même,
maybe
il y en a qui ont
maybe
ils sont capables de tirer vite en tabarnak.
maybe in that league.
Ouh.
Yeah. So there's a first event in. Oh, it's not there yet. But yeah, there's an event in May, but I'm not gonna be ready. I don't know. Yeah, I'm really looking to. Yumo, Ou vidéo. Non, pas ce jeu. Let me check. Where can I find this? I guess CXBL. CXBL. Daytona. Oh, I showed you that last time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. Steve, we used BB guns growing up, 2 pump max. Oh shit. That's fun.
Ouais.
Yeah, now to.
Au CO2, man, ça snap quand même, là.
Yeah. No, that was those BB guns.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had
Ça
one too.
ramasse des écureuils, là.
Yeah, I had one too. Yeah, that was fun.
Les ranges sont ici, sont plus petits que je pensais. Alors,
Ouais, vraiment.
genre, for real, man.
Mais comme, on regarde à gauche, c'est des petits. Admettons, on dirait qu'en ce moment, c'est des grosses chandelles, mais c'est des chandelles normales. C'est comme hier que c'était vraiment des petites chandelles, genre. C'est ça qui mindfuck un peu.
Very happy to be patient with that Kindle here.
Yeah. Puis en plus, c'est la seule bullish après tout le move down, là.
Ouais. Pretty happy with that.
And if we break this support, we have pretty much clean traffic at left, right?
Yeah, to the next QP.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, I forgot to upload the simulation Saturday, so I uploaded yesterday, so it should be now in the database.
Oh, nice.
It went pretty well because we did London session for the first time. Went pretty well, to be honest. I was expecting to have a little bit more problem, but went pretty well.
I like London session very much because there is so much volume.
London, yes.
Yesterday took a profit easy.
Yeah, London session is good. The only thing is you got to be careful because there's a lot of fake outs in London session.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the only thing I notice is you gotta be careful. Like there's volume, but there's also fake outs. So you gotta make sure you wait for those either dogtail set up at the right time or the break and retest. You know.
from stall last night.
J'ai pas vu la fin.
Yeah, I'm not gonna say anything then.
Sorry.
That's you.
Thank you, guys.
Spring is coming hard, man.
Oh man, I'm telling you, my allergy is killing me, man. Killing me. Oh. Yeah, it's rough. Sorry.
Most Canadians spend on average 55 cents a day on bank fees. That's around $10,000 in a lifetime. That's real
Goddamn.
money. That used to be your money. Tangerine free
Moi, je paye rien.
Find out how to get this great offer when you become a new client.
What?
Okay, you're good.
No, I didn't see the two.
Yes.
Especially if it does that extra point going out. Corralled and the clock melted.
Okay, leave it.
Overtime. Wow, what a goal, man. Yeah, you can tell it's a boring morning when we watch hockey. Alright, so...
Crise de chance qu'il y ait ça, man, parce que sinon...
Yeah.
Well, that would have been a certain range though.
Yeah.
If we break 750 though.
Ouais, si en achat, on close en dessous, on pourrait avoir un ducktail setup
Ouais.
à 8 heures. Prime time.
What
J'ai hâte
is...
d'essayer ça, cette petite bébelle-là. La queue de chien, ça a l'air, ça fait des miracles.
Pas, pas mauvais, je te dirais, pas mauvais.
Ça marche vraiment bien.
So if you look here... Oh non. Est-ce que je l'ai regardé, non? Ah oui, c'est ça, je l'ai regardé. Same thing. Okay.
It looks like GJ is about to break support, right?
Both G and GJ.
Yeah.
Rip to all those guys who bought that blue candle.
Yeah. Because this was a fake out. That, actually, this right here, this should be the zone, actually.
Yeah.
To this wick here, so that should be the zone. So now you can adjust it here. And yeah. So this was the fake out here. So the right zone was right here, actually. Yeah, this was the zone. Yep, that makes sense.
Soit un break and retest ou ducktail à 8.
All right. So I'm gonna adjust it here on 30 minutes, and that should be good. All right. That's good. So now if we get a break and retest, it's gonna be good, or probably dogtail setup around 8. Same thing here with GA. GA is same idea here. Man, this. Wow, that was good. Dum. All right. So that should be our. Oh, look at this rejection on that monthly candle, man. On GA. Phew. Oh.
Yes, we feel that week, right? And
Yesterday formed resistance. If this daily, man, broke this low, phew. Coming down. GG also, man. Okay. Yeah, I still think we should go to the upside, but gotta trade what we
Le
see.
daily en ce moment est bearish, par exemple.
Le quoi?
Le daily sur GG est bearish.
Ouais, c'est ça, je regarde.
Trois jours de suite qu'on rejette 153 en daily, fait que peut-être qu'on est dû pour une petite correction.
Et puis, écoute, ça remonte à 2019, là, 2018, la dernière fois qu'on était en haut de 153.
Ouais. Tu sais, si on suit la structure, on pourrait quasiment corriger jusqu'à 152, qui est le dernier sommet créé à gauche. Hein.
Ben, en plus, si celle-là ferme bearish, là, si tu fais ta fibre sur le daily, là.
Ah, yeah, c'est vrai.
C'est ça, j'ai parlé tantôt quand on a fait le breakdown, là. Mais tu dormais encore.
Tu sais, il y a de la place en crise, là.
So, I mean, technically, if this, but again, this is not valid yet because we didn't close bearish. But if this daily closed bearish, we might expect the price to continue down to this golden zone here on the daily time frame.
Yeah.
Before continuing back up. But again, this is not valid yet.
It will be tomorrow. Maybe at 53, un big level.
Puis tu sais, en daily, ça prend beaucoup de chandelles H4 puis H1 avant de se former. On a le temps de niaiser.
Oh, Caveman is wondering about Mr. Miller. So Caveman says, Mr. Miller, you look down and out today. Are things okay with you, man?
Yo, son petit fan club, là.
Man, Phil,
No, it's all good.
man, Phil is our Mac, you know. So everyone's looking out for Phil.
I've honestly quieted down a little bit because last time I was talking too much, people were roasting me as well.
Mr. Miller, whatever you're gonna do, we're gonna roast you.
No, it's all good. Thanks for worrying about me. Stressful at work a little bit, but it's all good.
Alright. Hey Sash, yeah, you should add some music to your L stream. Yeah,
Dude.
This is again, this is Mr. Miller's fault.
No.
Because
help me this weekend, and we told you on Sunday to do it.
Yeah, no, true. Yeah, I know. I need to do that. The thing is, I'm so not techie and I suck at those things. And I know it's something that can take literally like probably 5 minutes, but for me, it's gonna take my full day. It's gonna take my full day trying to set this up. Yeah, so yeah, I need to
Why
do
don't
it.
you message Raja? Just text Raja and be like, Raja, hey, how the hell do you add music to your stream?
Well, no, because I know the answer. The answer is gonna be go on YouTube, Google how to add music on, you know. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do because that's the right thing to do.
That is Raja's answer. Go on Google.
And but it's the right answer also. I will if someone asking me this, I would answer the same way, because the answer is right there. You know, I mean, people are getting way too lazy these days. Way too lazy.
Says the guy that hasn't put music.
Yeah, well, no, that's not lazy. That's I got a shit of
Forgiveness.
other things to do. A shitload of other things to do. You know, music on YouTube is not on the top list of my priority right now. So
C'est pas le party ici, là, on travaille.
I have a shitload of other things to do.
It's
But
going to be shitty music anyway, so.
yeah, it's gonna be some elevator music, right? But yes, I will definitely be. Yeah, I need to find a way to do it. Yeah. One day, I promise. One day, there's gonna be music on YouTube. I cannot say when, but there's gonna be music on YouTube. If 1 hour closed strong bullish, would you have taken long? Well, I don't think it's worth to talk about because it didn't happen. So, but that was the original plan. Yes.
So the thing is, you have to put non-copyright music, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, exactly. Yeah, you got to download music from the YouTube library. That has they're copyright free. Yeah.
That's why I think Raja is like 3 songs always in loop, something like
Yeah.
that.
Correct.
You know?
Yeah.
I think it's even one song.
Yeah.
Maybe just one, yeah.
There's one that always plays on Registream. It's like it looks like the chipmunk are singing. It's like it's so funny. Some Boston, some Steve Miller. Oh, yeah, just kidding. But what I play? Okay, nice. Yeah, we can only play copyright free music on YouTube. Last time I showed one video on YouTube for like probably like what 30 seconds. It was a fly ball video because a lot of people was asking me like what kind of competition I do with my dogs, and I showed that video and there was a song playing in the background. I didn't realize and I didn't thought about it, and as soon as my stream closed, I received a message that I went against the copyright rules on the YouTube video. I was like, what? What did I did? And I realized it was that video. I was like, oh shit. So they're really quick on the trigger.
Try this, Sasha.
Baha is helping me here, I think.
If you're losing money as a trader, here's why.
Verified.
Those freaking ads, man.
Paul Tudor Jones.
Free copyright safe music?
Yeah, it's from their YouTube channel, verified.
Really? You sure?
Yeah, let me give you the link for the channel.
Awesome. That's perfect
I'll
then.
set everything right now, Sasha, don't worry.
You sure I can play that, right?
Anyway, il est trop tard, tu l'as fait jouer 17
Yeah, true. I played it 10 seconds. I'm already done anyways. Download free and safe music for content creator on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram.
verified.
Copyright issues.
It looks good. Looks good.
Join the family. Alright. I just subscribed. So I guess. Alright then.
You can play it and then volume so it doesn't go above our voices and stuff.
Yeah. So let's do that.
That's it.
So how is that? Is that too loud?
Yeah, a bit too loud.
Okay, hold on.
C'est bon, ça.
What about this?
Yeah.
That's interesting.
I think it's alright, yeah.
That's fine, man. Thank you.
There you have it.
Here we go. YouTube, you got music now. That was simple. Shit.
Took you like 2 minutes. Good job.
Damn, I like this. Everyone on YouTube, give a like to the stream, to give a like to Baha.
Gotta give a like today.
Give a like to Baha.
Thank you.
Alright. It's pretty cool, man. Awesome. Yeah. You have to watch out. YouTube is a hawk. Yeah. There's a guy on YouTube who contacts the bands to get approval since he does reviews. Oh, that's pretty cool. They should contact those guys.
Fuller tone. You should contact the fuller tone.
Yeah, they should contact the fuller tone. Those guys here. Shit. Oh shit. Not the. No.
What? The music is vibing. Love it. Ça va me sortir de ma zone misérable. Parfait.
Ouais, c'est ça. Oh, look at these. Oh, man. These guys right here. They should contact those guys. Wait a second. They got some video on the show. I'm gonna have to watch this. I didn't know that. Francesco playing music?
Yes.
Oh, boy. I'm so gonna watch those. Man, this guy can play guitar, let me tell you. Whew.
Ooh. Love the setup, man.
Look at GA is breaking the shit down.
Like LED lights, dope.
Yeah, GA is breaking.
Yeah.
GG is rejecting.
10-second drop.
Il est pas mal moins nice que GG par exemple.
Ben, attends un peu. Ben non, man, check ça, la wick feel ici.
Ouais.
Look at this nice wick feel here. Now I think if you got a wick up first on GA and break after, because now it's breaking, yes, but I would wait for wick up first, and if it break a second time after that, because don't forget you got also this minor support right here. But look like there's a lot of volume coming down. Look, this wick has no wick on top and just went straight down. So is this candle's gonna do the same thing? I don't know. But if it was me entering that trade, I wouldn't want to wait for top wick first. And GG look like if we form support, we're gonna have a support, and it's gonna be a double bottom. That would be nice.
Or we close below 750 with a nice candle and a nice wick.
Yep.
On la pogne à 8 heures.
Yeah, boy. Waiting on that.
There's a lot of room to the 152, 500.
Man, that GA, holy. Wow, look at this.
And then we say bye-bye. Yo, la Wickfield se passe.
Yeah, Wickfield, man, look at this. Holy, it's pushing hard.
Même pas de wick.
No wick whatsoever. 2 candles in a row. That's a lot of bearish pressure, man. Holy. Oh well. Yeah, Steve says he needs to write some trading music. Definitely, yes. There's a guy who writes trading music. It's this guy. Ty. Oops. This guy right here. This guy's hip hop, rap. This is all trading music. He's on Spotify also.
Yeah.
Wow, man. Already 7 pips profit in 2 minutes. Yeah. No. I'm not in the trade. No.
No, I gotcha. Yeah, no, it's a tough one. No whip, nothing. Yeah.
No, I didn't have any signals, you know.
Any confluences.
Yeah.
Tu sais, man, mettre son stop là-dedans, c'est du gambling, là.
Oh.
Yeah, exactly.
No, you gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. My son wrote a little for me the other day, inspired by Pink Floyd. Pretty awesome. Oh, that's cool, man. All right, we are at 92 likes, man. We need to get to 100, man. All right, so we were missing 8 likes, guys. Smash that like button. 8 likes to go. Come on, let's hit that 100 mark. So if you're on Zoom, go on YouTube. Just go give it a like. If you're on YouTube and you didn't like the stream yet, give it a like, please. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel also. So if you didn't subscribe. So next time I'll go live, you know when. Let's put this desk on bullish mode.
It's gonna be perfect timing for GJ to sell.
Yep.
Profiter du volume pour s'en aller de toute cette merde.
Man, I did a training on... It was Saturday. I did a training on... Oh no, what day? What did I went running to beat you, Phil?
Saturday, I guess.
Was it Saturday or Sunday?
Yeah, Saturday.
No, it was Sunday because it was the last day for the challenge.
Non, c'était samedi parce que je fais le 3.
Oh, okay. So it was Saturday. So Saturday I did a training. It was a new training. It's called Quarter Force. So basically it's a lot of movement. It's a lot of boxing, kickboxing, Muay Thai movement. You know, dude, I'm telling you, there's some muscle I had no clue that existed in my body. And this shit still hurt today. It still hurt. And that day I did 45-minute of that training in the morning on Saturday. And you bastard sent me a message and say, hey Sasha, by the way, you got only like 5 hours left for that running challenge. I was like, oh fuck, man. And my beer was halfway empty. I was like, oh man, that's gonna hurt. So I put on my running shoe, went out there and beat your ass up, man.
You beat me by 300 meters. Relax.
The question is,
No.
did I beat you or not?
No, because if you look at the leaderboard, I won because I finished the challenge.
Yeah, I didn't know about that, by the way. Because I was actually refreshing the leaderboard. I was like, this shit is not updating, man. I did more than him. I was like, what the fuck? I was like, what? And I realized because you were the first one to achieve it. So now I'm like, okay, now I know.
You ran
Sasha, you need a special head with beer, you know? Special head.
Oh, yeah.
Running like that.
Yeah.
What was the challenge then?
We actually just started a new one. It's on the Nike application.
Okay.
Nike Run. So basically we did, for last week, we had a week to run 10 kilometers. So it's not a big challenge, right? It's just to get in an habit of, and it can be jogging, can be walking if you guys want to, just to get people out there and start moving, right? And this week is 12K. So if you guys want to do the challenge, I'm gonna lens the I'm gonna I'm gonna throw the invitation at YouTube also. So anyone that wants to enter the challenge on Nike, just add me on the Nike application, and you can find my name out there. And I'm gonna add you to the FX Dogs Runner Challenge.
Nice.
We need to try that.
Yeah, just download. It's a free.
I was supposed to go yesterday, but it was raining, so I'm gonna have to go today.
Yeah, me too.
12 kilometers in 1 week.
Yeah, now you gotta manage your 12K. So I was like, we did 10K, so I was like, let's increase it by a little,
Yeah.
And I think we can stay at 12K for maybe a couple weeks, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks,
Yeah.
and we'll see. But yeah, Nike Run is a free app, so it's available on the Apple Store or Google Play. There's a guy. Okay.
So we are kind of waiting for a doctor setup, isn't it, in here? We want the candle to go up to that resistance and then come down again.
Yeah.
In order to trade, yeah.
Want it to close below, then wake up, then down.
Yeah.
Yeah, we want to make sure we close under that 750 QP. Man, we're missing 3 likes. 3. Come on.
Oh, sorry, I was talking about GBP Aussie. Sorry.
For GA? Oh, for GA, basically, GA now is going to be hard. So GA is going to be a break and retest, basically. So GA, if I take a sell on GA, I want to see something like this candle coming like this, next one like this, and riding this one. So that's going to be a basic break and retest.
Alright.
Because now it's too late for that dogtail setup. It's already pushed down. So... Oh, missing 1 like. 1 like. Missing 1. Come on, boys. Give it to me. There we go. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Let's take a look at, okay, so this is GJ. Alright, GJ is, that 15 minutes gonna close in 5 minutes. This is the first time I'm actually putting out the 15-minute chart.
Sasha, can you imagine for the last 4 years, this is the second time when I withdraw my money since I joined the course.
Whoa, what?
So yeah, for 4 years I only put money in the market, and I took $500, paid for the course, and today I made $200 and withdraw it as well for Magic Keys. So yeah,
that's freaking amazing, man.
Yeah.
Freaking amazing. Good job, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Don't forget, if you order that Magic Key, we have a coupon for students in Discord, right?
I used it, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, so you're gonna get a discount. So GJ looking like, yeah, it's breaking that QP.
Mongo, man, I'm loving this music. It's very nice.
It's smooth.
Yeah, we need to wait.
Comment?
It's tempting.
Yeah, this thing might just melt. That's possible also.
Because the 15 broke below. But,
Mais tu sais, en même temps, c'est parfait. Le plus loin qu'on close de 750, le plus de chances que ça soit pas un fake out.
Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for close for sure.
no, for sure.
À 8 heures, ça va être. On verra bien.
Oh
I
man.
can't remember when I took my last 50-minute trade, so.
Mais c'était sûrement de la merde, fait que.
Yeah. I'm not getting back into this habit.
Man, this is exciting, Roman. I'm actually thinking about what you just said, man. It's pretty amazing.
Yeah, thank you for your knowledge, Sasha. Yeah.
I mean, no, thank you, man. Thank you for joining us and, you know, putting your trust into me.
Yeah.
It's interesting how it switched. You mean you make all the time, you make so many mistakes, trade all the time, different strategies, different crosses, and all that stuff. And when you focus on one pair, one session, and one setup, everything changed.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, if you focus on one thing, man.
Yeah.
That's why, yeah, I make a lot of, I made some noise on Instagram about that gold, but I'm just having fun, with this, but I mean, I'm not. It's not because I'm not ready. Just like I don't feel the needs of trading gold, right? So I mean, as you see here on that thing, yeah, here you got your break and retest. Entry was on the break of the high right here on this gold trade. So this here, break, retest, support form right here on the break of the high, and your trade would have been like what, 10 pips profit, not much, it's not moving that fast right now.
Yo, le petit big man, c'est un fou vibe.
Vous, hein?
Yeah.
J'ai le goût de m'ouvrir une chicha, là. Like I feel like opening doing a hookah right now, shisha, with that beat, just like.
Yeah, it would be always on a shisha.
GA is melting.
GA is following.
That's good.
On veut la Magic Key, on va attendre quand même.
Man, GG, il entre dans une belle zone, là, pour vrai.
Yep, that 15 minute just closed.
That H1 though.
Oh, look at that 15. No top wick, no bottom wick. What the fuck?
Whitfield down on 15.
Yeah, it's nice here. You got some for traffic until here, 586.
Needs to come back up a little bit though.
Why? This thing is pushing down. Holy. Slow down, GJ, slow down. Let us some room. Oh man, les petits bruits pis tout là. I don't know if I put it on my real speaker because now the music is coming out from the Mac speaker.
Yeah.
But I think if I put it on my other speaker, it's gonna be too loud.
Mais je sais pas trop comment, mais tu peux partager ton son avec Zoom, genre que ça soit pas ton speaker, mais vraiment ton ordi qui partage le son que tu projettes, genre.
Pardon.
Ouais, mettons que ça sort comme si j'écoutais de la musique dans mon portable, là, et non genre à partir de ton micro. Comme si j'écoutais une vidéo YouTube, genre. Et genre partager le son du PC ou je sais pas trop là.
Is you guys on YouTube? Can someone on YouTube confirm that they are able to hear the music? I'm just wondering. I guess people. Oh, yeah, I can hear the music. It's quite low. Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, it's Demi Lovato. Join me on
Man, GG, mon gars.
Watch now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it is what it is.
Yeah, it's just melting. Yeah, so anyone that took this here on that break of the low with that dogtail, I think eating some good pips here. So that was
Yeah, but
like
that's not touch right now.
yeah, 11 pips.
Get out the break of the low, 10 pips. But it's not New York Open and
Yep.
Open. I
Okay.
feel like probability wise, this is a setup that doesn't work. Dans le temps, un docteur à 7h30, les chances vont pas être bon bord.
No, that's it. Oh man, allergy. Ah.
Le gars il a besoin de prendre du claquetin.
Oh man, it's so rough those allergy. Whew.
Yo, bro.
It's 3 p.m. almost.
Oh, you guys have
Yeah, that's why
7 hours
I can trade London session. It's morning at Moscow, and I can trade New York session.
Damn, you got the best.
Yeah, it was the same for me when I was in France. Like I was trading London in the morning, and in the afternoon I was watching the registry.
Okay.
That was sick.
I think it's the same thing if you go to Bali or something like that. You can trade with the nicest session. Qu'est-ce qu'on fait ici? What the frick am I doing here?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I guess you can trade New York and you can trade Asian session.
Yeah, but Asian
Yeah,
sucks.
but Asian man.
sucks.
Asian is so bad.
Asian session is horrible.
Yeah.
I hate Asian session so bad. Like if you look at my Trixie,
Yeah, I remember. You have just one trade.
yeah, if you look at my Trixie, I think I have like one trade here in Asian session,
Yeah.
and after that it goes to December one trade, October one trade, and after that it was like, oh, Asian session 2 trade here in June, 2 trade in May. Yeah, I hate Asian session. Alright, so people can hear the music on YouTube. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Wow, man, look at this Wickfield coming down.
Look at GG, man.
Yeah.
I'm not even mad. I'm just like, I wish it didn't do that.
Yeah. So now, GJ, yeah.
I have to wait till I'm all the way back to 750 to do a resistance.
God damn.
Yeah.
Ah, là, on est rendu trop, genre, au milieu de tout pour...
Oui, you can't get into that.
You know,
You can only get into that if you're on simulation.
that's what happened when you wait for candle to close. You gotta understand that you might miss move, and you gotta be okay with that, you know?
Yeah.
You gotta be understanding that, yeah, you're waiting for a safer trade, but we might miss one, and that's fine, you know? I have no problem missing a trade. Man, upbeat.
Et voyons donc, are we going for the next QP all the way?
Oh yeah.
Probably.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Even more, 80 beeps.
Yeah. Going to 500. Wow.
Wow, man. Crazy. Crazy.
Oh, 500 incoming, baby.
Yeah, from QP to QP, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Like almost every time.
Like I said, I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed.
Yeah.
En même temps, c'est une bonne nouvelle qu'on aille du volume de même en début de semaine.
Yeah, it's good. It's gonna create some clean traffic.
Logical person.
It's gonna create some clean traffic. It's gonna be perfect.
Ouais,
So-
enlever toute la marde du début de semaine.
Right. When you miss moves, you gotta be excited. I'm excited about the fact that now we're creating some clean traffic for the next trade. So it's perfect. Simon Verville. Oh, what's up, Simon? Wow, c'est quoi ça? The Broke Backpack. Haha, nice song. Love it. Mr. Verville.
Check ça, Sash. If you look at my chart, it's not a chart. I didn't show anything. Like I didn't annotate it. I just want you to click on it because I think we're going to touch it a third time. We're going to.
Don't tell me you put a trend line here.
Zoom out.
Oh,
Elle est
Jesus.
juste dans le coin.
Look at this guy. Here we go. Look at this guy with the magic trend line.
Esti, elle passe à travers.
Ben ouais, elle passe à travers. Et où la validité de ça? Chris de trend line de merde.
Esti, on joue pas à Star Wars ici, là.
Is that a saber? Is that a saber laser or what's up? Oh man, you got a V here. Is that the Mighty Dogs V?
Esti.
Oh, this guy.
Il a tracé en quoi, en H4?
Non, je pense que c'est. Attends.
Tu vois, il sait même pas. Tu vois comment c'est de la merde?
Non, c'est. Yeah, non, c'est H4. It is H4. It is H4.
Yeah.
H4. Puis what goes below is the. Il y a 2 weeks ago, là, quand on a fait quand le weekly candle, c'était un doji, un doji.
Un doji, hein?
Un doggy? Un doggy style? Oh, Yassine is making fun of you too.
Yes.
Qu'est-ce qu'il a
Ça
dit?
part de même.
It says Picasso Phil, beautiful chart.
The scene. I thought we were bros.
You were, man.
Until you put a trend line on your chart.
Oh man.
Look at this. Phil's gonna try to get access to Discord and the cores, and she's like, Sasha, I don't understand. Why don't I have access anymore? I don't know. It might be because you touched the trend line.
Wow. We're actually going to 500.
Oh yeah, for sure.
That is.
250.
Most of the time,
Wait, why won't you touch it?
with this rejection here on the resistance here form on that 153, there's a good chance we're gonna visit 152 now.
Puis tout ça parce que le daily est bearish, mon gars.
Wait a minute. Looking at the daily, huge bearish, huge rejection to the top side. Yep. And again, like I said, if we close this one today bearish, we're gonna continue down for maybe a day or two to hit that daily golden zone.
Yep.
Around 152. If you put it here, you know, around 152, and we should tap 152 because, like I said, most of the time, if you break that major, you're probably gonna visit the next major most of the time.
Crazy.
And we have just one support on H4 and then clean traffic to 152.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, and let me tell you, if this thing breaks, we can go to 152 and reject, but man, there's clean traffic to like 151, 250 on H4.
Look at that H1 candle flash. Insane.
Yeah, it's huge. Alright, so now this thing just closed bearish and we rejected that 500 QP. But now with this timing, if I see a wick up and breaking down the low, it's also gonna break the QP. I can expect the NY open volume to continue down to this H4 support. Yeah, and grab my 10, 12 pips and run away.
Man, le dernier 30 minutes, pas de top weight, man. Just straight.
Yeah, this 30 minutes straight down. And look on GA. G had two 30-minute like this.
Yeah.
Was it a 30 minute or 1 hour? Hold on, wait a
1
second.
hour, yeah.
Where was it? Oh no, it was on GJ. GJ, this had no wick. Okay. How about a 1 hour? Yeah. No top wick again. Really? Oh, now G looks better because it's forming that top wick. We still have some room here to fill that wick. Plus we got this minor support here. So I think if GA comes down and break the low, probably can expect NY volume to continue down.
Ou retrace, faire une résistance, puis...
Yeah, or yeah. Or because now we just form a new low. So most of the time when the new low is formed, you can have price to come down, form support, come back up, and shoot back down, right? So it's one of the two. But if we're coming down, with this rejection, we might continue down lower.
You don't worry about that QP there?
Not with this volume. This is a
Okay.
this is minor QP, but the only thing is when you have this is the 250. Yeah, we're good. So
Oh, Jim, il est en place, man.
oh,
Ring.
Yo, what's up?
El Jimmy
Jimmy Cap.
Capriotti.
And also, there's clean traffic on GA at 4 hour.
Yep. And again, this nice wick fill also.
Yeah.
Hold on. What is? Okay. J'ai l'impression d'être dans le roi lion tout d'un coup. C'est ça qu'il va faire. Ah, t'es bien.
Non, c'est Chihuahua.
Chihuahua.
Ça devrait être notre nouvelle tune qu'on chanter dessus. Yo, faudrait que je te Photoshop esti dans les mains de même.
Ouais, comme ça, avec les. Ça serait malade.
Patch hot dog.
Je peux avoir Jimmy dans mes mains.
Man, clean buy, c'est gold. Je sais pas si vous checké.
Ah, je l'ai checké tantôt, mais là, je focus, je vais voir. Si vous voyez une top wick, puis après ça, qui recommence à redescendre sur GG, dites-moi là, je vais regarder GA.
Yeah, gotcha. I got you, sir. No top wick so far.
But I think if GA comes down and break that low, we can use that dogtail setup. Expect volume to break that that minor QP and at least wick fill this. And to this minor support here, which is 171. Let me put a black line here just for target. All right.
And it's so nice with music, yeah?
Yeah, it's perfect. You
That's
see,
probably why GG pushed so hard, because he was nice.
you see that entry I was talking about on gold actually played out pretty well. But actually, no, not true. You've been stopped out. Because I was talking about the entry on the break of the high here. So you went probably 10 pips in profit and came back down to your entry. So yeah, so that wasn't good. But I guess if you wait on 15 minutes, oh no, you don't even have the break and retest on 15. Wow. Yeah, that's the thing with gold, man. It's just like, look at those fucking wicks. They're always coming back to your entry. It's just like, it's retarded.
I had a buy right there at the break and stop right there. TP
Nice.
At 25 pips.
Good job, man.
I started trade gold, but with less risk.
Yeah. Alright, nice top wick. Are we forming support now to go up and create resistance? Or are we going to come down? Alright, GJ's starting to form that tiny wick.
Yeah.
How big what?
How big wick should be?
The wick?
Oh, the bigger it is when it comes down and reject, stronger it is, right? So there's no specific on like, yeah, it has to be like 5 pips long or 2 pips long or 7. There's not such a thing, but you know, of course, like the biggest, like let's say the wick comes like way over here and start rejecting down, you know, now there's some bearish pressure, you know. So it's more solid, I guess. That's why now so far I like GA better because it went a little higher. But again, we might see, because right now if you look at GA, price came down here, came up, came down, boom, 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 and boom. So now we might see something like this.
Ouais, exact. Surtout qu'on est proche
And
de
this.
QP.
You know, so there's a good chance we see that.
Si jamais on a une bleue, là, on pourrait se tracer un fil, avoir un beau golden zone
Ouais.
sur 500, puis
Yep.
zip zap.
Zip zap zup.
Pour ça, honnêtement, risqué, là, un sales avec Doctel live, là.
Ouais.
C'est. On est loin, là. Bon.
Ouais, mais c'est puissant.
PG still no talk.
Attends, check toi sur 4 heures.
Clean
Ouais,
traffic.
c'est ça. Break and retest, quoi.
Hein?
Higher time frame.
Break and retest de.
Genre daily H4. On est sur un huge zone, là, en ce moment.
Ouais, mais il y a beaucoup de cette marde-là qui était dans les 2 jours fermés. Là.
Ouais. Non, mais je parle. Ça comme ça.
Ah, ça, ouais. Ouais, moi je target le Wickfield aussi.
Oh, for sure. Ça se fait. Ça se fait, non, un 10 pips, ça se grab bien là-dedans, sauf que le runner.
Ouais, non, le runner, je donne pas beaucoup d'espoir là, dans un bullish trend, là, tu sais. Ça va être sûrement un 100% close. Là.
And this week was created on bank holiday, right?
Yeah. All that mess was bank holiday, basically.
Yeah. By the way, I think it's a golden zone on H4.
Yes, it
Twice.
is.
Yep.
Yeah, it's something I traced last week. But man, if we form support, it's even more exciting. All right.
PG
Wow.
scoring a wick. That's good.
35 pips on gold, man. Damn.
You
Hey everybody, it's Demi
Wow.
Join me on this
cash some money or some ads.
only on YouTube.
Yeah. Blah blah blah.
Le spread a failli pas me donner mon TP, par exemple. J'ai closé manuellement. Eh oui.
Nice catch, Jimmy boy.
Je l'ai gros backtesté vu qu'on avait comme 3 jours de.
Ouais.
ça donne bien, là, en 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Là.
Parfait, ça. Il y a Billy the Kid puis il y a Jimmy the Kid.
Ou Speedy.
Ou Speedy. Oh, ok. J'aime ça. Oh, here's Malcolm. Says, just for laughs. Alright, let's take a look. Oh, Lee! There's some, yeah. That's funny.
Bollinger Bands, Ishimoku Cloud.
Yeah.
I think you got them all on this. Yeah, I think now if you look at this. Okay, so based on this. Okay, wait a second. Alright, so based on. Oh, what the fuck? Alright, so based on this here triangle, you can expect price to continue rocket, right? So should continue up. But since we got a cloud here, we might see some sun appearing around here. But I can see a cloud of rain right here. So you gotta be very, very careful. Il y a juste Simon pour caler des shots comme ça. Simon il cale le parcours de Christophe Colomb. C'est solide là.
Et là on n'a pas parlé de Mars puis de la Lune là-dedans.
Wow man.
Ah c'est juste une confluence.
This is funny.
Holy.
Yeah, let's go GJ.
Mon chat est tellement beau, il vient me donner du support. Hey!
Traitez-moi de locker. Dès que j'ai close, ça go 12 pips dans le nez.
Ouais, mais honnêtement, j'aurais close.
T'es à résistance.
Ouais, 17-37.
C'est ça que j'ai closé manuellement.
Ouais, c'est ça. 17-37, c'était ton exit là.
17-38.
T'as bien fait ça, j'ai mis un good job.
Ben, je me disais, gros, si ça crée genre. Si en ce moment c'est pour créer un plus haut, ça l'aurait push tout de suite, tu sais.
Ouais.
Ça aurait pas attendu 2-3 minutes.
Non.
Mais là, ton 15 minutes va close doji, fait que.
Non, mais il est out, Jimmy là.
Non, je change.
Ah.
C'est une bonne idée.
Ouais, ton 15 minutes, il a retrace all the way down.
Hey man. Ma psychologie aurait été fuck right now si j'aurais laissé ça pis que j'aurais juste rien touché.
On aurait vu Jim disappear.
Mais ça dépend. He would have left his stride and would have been like, is Jimmy okay? Il parlait à la porte comme.
Mais non, mais pour vrai, à Star, genre un break-even, ça. Parce que là, mon stop il était rendu en profit à 25 pips. Mais je m'en aurais voulu parce que, honnêtement.
Ah, stop, man, mon gars, 25 pips. 25 pips in profit and break even? That's a loss to me, man. C'est une perte, là, voyons donc.
Si t'es à 25 pips et tu sécurises pas de profit.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Non, je veux dire, mon break-even était à 25 pips. Pas mon break-even, mon stop. Parce que quand il est arrivé à 25 pips, j'ai mis à break-even. Quand ça a dépassé à 30 pips, je l'ai ramené à 25 pips juste pour être safe. Là, ça a pas.
Ah, ok.
T'as pas un char, faut pas t'aller au travail, t'as mort.
C'est fini, man. Même plus de
Fini ce temps-là.
Je me brosse les dents, si je mets mes pantoufles puis j'ouvre la porte.
Ah, malade.
That's sick.
Non, ton setup il est nice.
Yeah, man. Tout fait ça.
Very nice.
T'as-tu un mur
Ça m'a
d'escalade à
coûté, esti. Ouais, mais il est pas monté encore, c'est juste ça que j'ai pas monté.
Attends un peu, t'as un mur d'escalade à l'intérieur?
40$ pour les millions.
Ouais, 40 chez Costco.
Pourquoi tu disais ça en joke pis t'as tourné ça en réalité? Le mur d'escalade?
Ouais, je vais avoir mon mur d'escalade dans ma chambre.
Ok.
Ouais.
Ben, c'est franc, Chris.
Je vous montrerai ça cette semaine. Mais yo, ça m'a coûté plus cher de bois que de métal, tabarnak.
Ah, je sais, c'est fou, man.
Deux plaques de bois, 160$. Est-ce que ça m'a coûté genre 60$ de métal? Là.
Ah, c'est ridicule.
Lumber this year is
Yeah.
the most performing commodity in 2020.
Yep.
That's crazy.
Genre 140%, mon gars, man. Insane.
Are you in any trade? Oh no, I'm not. Being
Well, il y a plus de
super,
wins dans GA and GJ now. So,
being super patient. Because today is like a Monday. Since yesterday was, you know, bank holiday. Friday was bank holiday. I mean, market was like super dirty. You know, I mean, look at this. It was just rangy. You know, so you know, just waiting for a safe opportunity. Less quantity, better quality. And it might be a no trade day. You know?
Yeah. Mais tu sais, si GG on est capable de retrace à 7,50, former une résistance, puis aller retest le haut encore, ça pourrait être vraiment nice aussi.
Ouais.
Would be my play.
Nice rejection to 500 here on that H4. But I can see this. I don't know. I can't wait to see how this 4 hour is gonna close. But if this 4 hour closed back in this range, man, it was just like a fake out, grabbing more orders and push back up, right? Because we're still bullish. We're still bullish on GJ. Gotta keep that in mind.
Man, il fait fucking beau aujourd'hui, les gars.
Ouais.
Belle journée pour travailler en dedans.
Ouais, moi je vais aller sur la route. Je vais sûrement aller à Trois-Rivières aujourd'hui.
Oh shit.
Ah, j'en ai profité pour faire une couple de clients parce que d'après moi, on est sur le bord de se faire arrêter encore. Là.
Ouais.
Lockdown?
Ouais, c'est sûr.
Mais là, on a passé à travers Pâques, fait que c'est déjà une bonne essai.
Ouais, non, mais attends un peu, les résultats vont être. Les résultats vont être dans 10 jours, là. Dans 10 jours, check bien ça spiké, toi, à 2000K, man. Franchement.
Don't say that.
Je te le dis, man. C'est sûr là, qu'il y a plein de monde qui se sont rassemblés, là. C'est sûr, le monde sont ben trop attardés, là.
Je reviens le 17, là,
You've got the lockdown right now, yes?
Yes.
Oh, crazy.
Yeah. Still in lockdown. But, yeah, anyways. And one of the reasons why we're still in lockdown is because there's too many... Anyways, I'm not going to talk about that. I said I'm not going to talk about that.
On en parlait à 5h30.
Yeah, no. I'm not going to talk about that. Because in 2021, there's three ways to start war. Or debate or something. Politics, religions, or the C word. That's it.
After they shut down the schools in Quebec too?
Oh no. School's still open. Yeah. School's still open. But
businesses are open, but now they're like, we're back to 1,000 cases a day.
yeah.
And to moi, la question que je me pose, to be honest, where and how? Because
Je connais pas une personne dans mon entourage qui connaît quelqu'un.
Let's not talk about this.
Let's not.
Yeah, let's not talk about this. The only thing I would say though is, yeah, pretty much everything is open. They were reopening gyms, but now in Quebec there are some retards that was not applying the rules, and they got like 80 new case out of that gym now. So, good
Ça
job.
va être la plus grosse claque, mais qui
Yeah.
tout ça. Là.
Good job. So now after that, people are complaining that they're closing gyms because there are some retards who doesn't follow the rules, you know. But anyways, let's stop. I'm not gonna, let's stop. I don't want to talk about that anymore. Next subject.
J'ai de la compatie pour ceux qui start leur cycle de juice.
Ouais.
Et Chris.
Oh boy. Sasha, can you explain why previous 2 hours candle, the bullish one, wasn't a good idea to take along? On GJ? On GJ, 1 hour.
Cool en passant la musique.
Ouais, c'est. Faut dire merci à Baha.
Oh, thank you, Baha.
Yeah, for the music. Alright, so the question, Sasha, can you explain why previous 2 hours? The previous 2 hours, so this one and this one? So maybe if you send a chart, it'd be easier, Armin, because I'm not sure which one you're talking about. because the last 2 hours is this one and this one. And why you want to go long when you got price coming down, you know? Oh, and this one, if you're talking about this one, okay, so if you're talking about this candle, because you got one candle that print bullish, but it was not a strong bullish candle. It was like a small body candle, you know, the wick was pretty much the same size on both sides. We were in a, you know, if you look left, look at all the noise, you know, where's my arrow? Here. Arrow. So if you look at all this, why do you want to take a trade here when you have all this there? Just like, I know this is the most recent traffic, but I mean, there's too much noise here. And if you take long, you got this major QP right there in your face. So I don't know. And especially when you know that there's, look at how many candles it took to break this, you know? So, yeah. So it's not gonna break in one candle when you're not in a timing that there's volume in the market. So that's why it wasn't a good idea. All right.
Oh, GJ is retracing right now.
Oops. Yeah.
Sasha, if next 30 minutes we start breaking the low, it's gonna be an impulse entry, right?
Yes. Yeah. Especially if this one start to break in those last couple minutes of that 30-minute, it can be interesting. So hopefully that answered your question, Armin.
Yes, sure. Thank you.
Alright, Ryan. What's up, Ryan? Ryan got a chart here. Alright, so Ryan's on GU. Alright. Took a buy on the break.
Yeah, I was expecting a pullback to that golden zone. I don't think that golden zone's really right because the trend is actually bullish.
Yes, correct. I was just about to say.
Yeah, so I just wanted to use that because on the 4 hour it's looking like a head and shoulders might be starting.
Okay.
The neckline there.
I have the same buy, right?
Yeah. It was an impulse as it broke the previous bar there.
Nice.
I got 10 pip, so I'm secured at 10 pip and I'm at break even.
If you look on 1 hour, non, tu peux pas le mettre sur 1 heure. Hein?
Ouais, je peux. Ben en fait, je vais changer, je vais aller sur mon.
Look at that.
GG is about to break the low, guys.
Yeah.
Oh. J'ai oublié ça dans votre trade avant.
Yep.
Malgré qu'on est direct sur un quarter point.
Ouh, je suis revenu à temps.
Yeah, but if it breaks, yeah, I'm expecting. It's a nice wick here on top, so I'm expecting volume to keep coming down.
Here we go.
Yeah, I took that entry.
Me too.
So let's take a look at GA. Fuck, it looks like we're gonna have two play at the same time.
Let's go, boys.
ce matin.
Alright, so partial TP. Whoops, what the hell I just did. Is that the TP line or what? Oh yeah, TP. Okay. There we go. Alright, what about GA? GA coming down also. Alright, let's go GJ! Alright, so 8:30 now. So now the next candle should wick up first and come down. So should be probably able to grab a second entry here. But that QP, technically, I mean with the volume we should be able to break it. But we gotta wait and see. Man, if it closes above though, I don't like it. We need this to close under that QP. Alright, let's go.
Yalla yalla.
Yalla yalla, where go Simon?
Simon, yalla.
Yalla yalla.
Are you with us?
Today I had no electricity, so I was a little in the mess.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just joined you in the Wi-Fi.
Alright, so we just close a tiny thing under.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Tiny thing. But yeah, we should wake up and come down.
Yeah, there is the wick.
Oh, G flipped bullish. Yeah, if 1 hour close bullish on GA, we're gonna come back up. But if this thing breaks the low, gonna come down and fill that wick completely. Yeah.
Alright, GG just broke
the low.
Yeah.
There we go. Alright,
Do you took a second entry, Sasha?
No, I didn't take the second entry. I think I'm gonna save that to take an entry on GA.
Alright.
Based on that H1 candle. If it breaks the low. Huge rejection to the top side.
Musique d'ascenseur.
Ouais, this one was. I was just about to say this one is clearly elevator song.
Seventh floor.
Yeah, 7th floor. Twing! Everybody get out. The party is on the right, you know.
Aïe aïe aïe.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Aïe aïe aïe, tu me fais peur là, je check pas JJ là. Ok.
Non, y'a rien.
Ok, c'est bon. Je focus, j'attends pour break le low sur mon GA. Là. Laser focus on that GA trade. Let's see. Yeah, because we can wick fill this, which is also this minor support right here on H1. And after that, oops, I'm talking about here. This support right here, which is also the wick fill. And after that, I mean, if runner continue, it's going to continue down, right? Oops. Oh, what the hell I just did? Man, I just...
You closed the trade.
Dude, my hand was on Magic Key and I was playing on my other screen and it clicked. I'm like, what the hell I just did? I think it was market pending, I think. I'm not sure. Oh, I actually inverse from buy to sell. Okay. Perfect. Okay, now I'm good. Damn, that was scary. That was quite scary. Alright, what's up with GJ now?
GJ is retracing on 500 QP.
Yeah, that's it.
Ça me rend pas full confortable de trader ça.
Come on, GJ.
It's making its wick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, on a
But
break le low en premier, fait que...
the only thing that's is more nervous is that close under that QP is so small. It's just like, I don't know. That's the only thing that makes me a little, not nervous, but uncertain. I'm not nervous because I'm not over risking, so I don't give a shit.
Exactly. H1, il y a close. Ok, on roule encore.
Ouais, on roule encore, c'est ça. H1, this H1 rejected this QP, and now this one's rejecting. If this H1 close under, we're good. But if this H1 close above, probably going to be closing that trade.
Yeah.
You don't want H1 to start flipping.
No.
To flip bullish.
Bon, je vais vous laisser les boys, je vais aller monitor ça sur mon autre desk.
Ok, mon petit gamin.
Oh shit,
Et on se voit demain, man. Sous vibe. Une demi-heure de plus avec les petits pitous. Là,
Ben ouais,
ça
c'est bon ça.
Alright, on se voit demain, les gars.
Tu vas aller jusqu'à quelle heure d'habitude?
Hein?
Tu vas aller jusqu'à quelle heure d'habitude?
Ben, d'habitude, je partais à genre 8 pour être au bureau.
Ah, mais je veux dire, là, à cette heure, tu vas être
entre 8 et demi puis 9.
That's it.
Fait que c'est pas mal ça, man.
Alright,
on se voit. Ciao, guys.
Ciao. Is it madness to sit from London to New York just because there was no trade for London?
No.
Is it madness? No, it's not.
If you didn't take any trade.
Yeah, if you didn't take any trade, of course.
Don't expose yourself too much in the market.
GJ is retesting the previous support.
Yeah. GU played out pretty well, man.
QP, that's QP, man.
Yep, look at this. Sitting right on it, man. Bang, bang. Look at this. Ooh, if this thing breaks, you guys are good for your runners. Probably gonna tap this minor support. Yeah, GU was good.
Right and secure, please.
This is me paper trading GU.
J'aurais dû keep mon trade.
Pour go?
Non, pour GU. Mais non, il n'y a aucune raison pourquoi je j'irais out of the track.
Yeah.
10 pips, c'est 10 pips. Non, on se dit tout le temps ça, mais la fois où tu as 10 pips, c'est reverse puis que t'as sécurisé, là, t'es pas mal content.
Ben oui, exact.
Oh yeah.
So, that's perfect.
TJ now retraced and made a nice wick. I think we're going now. There you go.
Is that where?
Yeah, running
yes.
4 pips.
Woohoo! Let's go, baby. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Hold on, wait a second. GA? What about GA? Oh, G is about to do it also. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on, GJ. That's it.
Come on, GJ. Come on, GA.
Do it for Narnia. Oh wait.
GA wants to do it too.
Oh wait, GJ, push.
Come on, GA. Break that fucking low, GA. Let's go, GJ, GA, GJJ.
Yeah.
Alright,
8
alright,
pips.
alright.
I'm almost there.
Alright, I just entered.
8 pips. Come on, GJ. Yep. About it, auto break even. Yes, sir.
Oh!
Auto break even hit, baby.
Nice.
Yes, sir. Alright, so if you took that trade, guys, give a like to the stream. And let's make it rain. Boom! Free money. Alright, 11 pips hit. So my break even is now on. Now I'm waiting to see if I can get 15 pips. Yeah, let's see.
Nice.
Let's see, let's see.
Updated rules.
Alright, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Let's go, baby. 11 pips. Alright.
11 pips.
12
hit.
pips.
We will get 15, I'm pretty sure.
Rick, yes, Josh.
Secret strategy. DuckTales.
We waited.
Basic. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 12 pips. Let's go. 15 pips incoming. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Push it down. Push it down, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby.
Le gym va être bon.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Need 3 more pips. Come on, baby. You can do it. But the thing is, we're right now at H4 support. So if I see any trouble, probably going to be closing some partials. But let's see if we can get that 15 pips. It went to 12 pips. So not missing a lot. So free money here on YouTube. And we get to, you know, the only thing that is, it's right here, all that noise. This thing that pissed me off. Where's my, actually my partials is at 347. 347. Yeah, it's a little. Oh! Oh shit! I wasn't looking. Holy! Holy! It went fast, bro.
Yalla?
Yalla.
Voilà.
Alright, so let me do that video right now.
That's it.
Alright, so first day back at it, and auto break even got hit 11, 15 pips just got hit, as you see. Partial TP hit, All right, at 347, close 90% of the position. This is obviously a live account here with the awesome Black Bull Market, right? So, all right, so 15 pips secured. We are trading live, and we just called that trade live on YouTube. So make it rain here. Let's give some free money to YouTube, right? So make sure you're coming to see us trade with the pack every Tuesday and Thursday, 5:30 a.m. Eastern. Booyah.
Well, you know, this is what I love about this setup. When you know how the candles are formed, you know it's gonna wake up and then come back down. You don't get nervous.
Yep.
Right? To say you know it's gonna go up, and then boom. I hope Mark took some profits too.
Oh, it's a sad snow.
All right, man. All right, so now I mean stops at break even. And let the rest run. Let's see if we can hit that 250. So let's set up another partials at 250. Partial TP, 250. 250, 250, 250, 250. Let's put it at 250, 258.
Okay, guys, thank you for the stream. See you tomorrow.
Alright, see you. Take care, man. Take care, guys. Take care. Take care.
If you can go on GU, I want to show something to Ryan real quick.
On GU, yeah.
So if you put your chart on 4 hour, you can see a clear structure right there, right? So break and retest, yeah. But if you put your chart on 1 hour, there's also a strong pattern on USD pairs. That's called another block right there, and I don't want to talk too much about that, but you have a strong zone of buyers right there. Plus, that's a support zone in H4. But if you confluence that with the other block zone that we have right there, that breaks the previous resistance zone, it's pretty strong. Right after this bullish area, we got a pretty nice brace. So market came back really fast at this area, and if you think about a sales right there, that's super risky because you have, first of all, this other block zone, but you have also this traffic right there. All of this traffic. So your buy was perfect. But I think you took it at this break right there.
Yeah.
Okay. So that was perfect, man. That's like I don't want to call it a head and shoulder pattern, but you have a 1, 2, 3 candle confirmation for a reversal. I don't know the name of this pattern setup on candles, but if this candle right there respect the previous low of this bearish candle and breaks this high, you have no reason to this candle to come back at in the range, because this is a range on 15 minutes, 5 minutes. There's no reason at all that this candle came back in the range. You can have a tight stop, pretty nice TP, like 15 pips, something like that. Super nice trade right there. So good job, man.
I actually took it on the 30-minute, and I just when it broke that.
Yeah. Okay. So that's H1. Yeah, that's H1. So 30-minute. Yeah. So that's the same setup. That's the same setup right there. You have the 1, 2, 3 candle, respect the previous low, break the previous high. This candle have no reason to come back in this range right there.
That's like the impulse, because it looked like it was just gonna go.
Yeah, that's perfect.
And that's rejecting that 250 QP pretty well.
Also, man, there's a lot of confidence in that trade.
On the 4 hour too, it's now that we pulled back and retraced a bit there, we're forming a big pin on the 4-hour at the golden zone too.
Very nice, Jimmy. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
What about GA? GA is about to break now, isn't it?
Yeah, I took that GA trade when it was. I kind of anticipate the break. Oh, what the hell just happened? Hold on, what a second.
12 pips.
Oh, my second partial just got hit. I was not looking. Awesome, 21 pips, baby. Let's go.
Can y'all hear me?
Let's go.
Hey, GJ is melting.
Oh, GJ is going straight the hell down to 152, man. Oh, and G is rocking also. Look at this. Second partial. I was talking about that 250 QP. Now it just got hit. So next target now, we're going straight to 152, man. Straight the hell down to 152. And that's going to be my target. It's going to be at 152.50. So now that's going to be my final target. Like right around here. Just before that major QP. Alright, that's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome.
Hey, Sasha.
Yep.
Okay, just want to make sure if y'all can hear me because I think I've been talking, but my mic is off.
Oh, your mic was off. That's why.
I'm like, why don't they pay attention to me?
Because we don't care, man. What's up with that? No, I'm joking. Poor guy. The guy's talking to himself. Alright, pretty nice, man. Oh, Simon, you gotta mute yourself, buddy. Alright. No problem. Is that me or that song is louder?
Okay, guys, I need to go. Take care.
Take care, buddy.
Cheers, man. Thank you.
Thank you, Sasha. I got to go now. Thank you so much.
Take care, guys. Take care.
Ciao, Simon.
Cheers, man. Cheers.
Yeah, I had to mute it because I was doing a post on IG and I was putting a song. All right.
So it's your microphone taking the music from the speakers?
Yes, correct.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the only way I find out how to do it. All right. So GA is I don't know. We'll gotta see 7 minutes left. GJ went pretty well to the next TP, so that's pretty awesome. GA, I'm still at like break even as we speak. GA, I took that base on H1, basically short here. Took it on a break of this high. But if it closes above this 250 QP, I'm gonna close my trade.
yeah.
So
Also, the 4-hour candle is about to close, isn't it?
correct.
So we should expect a retrace in the 4 hours, something like that.
Yeah. So I'm just waiting to see maybe a last minute push or something.
Yeah.
But now it's coming back up. I don't like it. You know what? I got my win on GJ. I'm gonna close that right here. Can it come down? Nah. I miss it. You know what? Let's wait for that 30 minute to... Let's wait 5 minutes. Last time I did that, I hated myself to close early, so... I'll wait.
Mix it up with YouTube music playlists. Discover new music and find old favorites with playlists made for any.
Man, GJ is coming down to the final TP. Holy. Holy. Holy.
Oh, GA is breaking down now.
Yeah, here we go.
Ah.
Man, GJ, holy. 36 pips, baby. Yeah, baby. What the hell is that song? That's so funny. Alright, 36 pips, man. That's pretty amazing. What a good morning, man. What a great morning. G looks like it wants to go, but doesn't want to go. I don't know. Alright, 2 pips profit on GA now. Let's go. Come on, baby. We got 4 minutes left. Come on, last push. Alright, so thanks GJ. Alright, Mark the Stash. Yo, what's up? Tom, I closed my GG position literally 5 seconds before we got that extra push. I closed was because I didn't want to watch price move up when create a top wick for the new H4 candle. Yeah, thanks for the second chance of my trade. Took a good win. Oh, awesome, man. Awesome, awesome. Pretty good.
40 plus pips on GJ. 38. Yeah.
What? What? I need a picture of that.
I had full take.
Holy!
22 pips.
Full TP is about to hit. Alright, full TP is about to hit here. We got 40 plus pips. And yeah, I said we're gonna tap this major QP. So I placed my full TP just a little bit above it. So we should tap it now. Let's go, GJ. This is freaking amazing. Wow. And G got 2 minutes left to close under a QP.
Man, this GJ trade was wild.
Yeah, man.
Super wild, man. God. It moved so quick that I wasn't even able to move my full TP. Just when it got hit, I was like, dang. Hey, it's good though. It's a win.
Yeah, 40 plus pips, man. First day back at it. That's pretty amazing. We got 2 minutes left.
GA is acting funny.
Yeah, G, I don't know why doesn't want to play. It doesn't want to play. I don't know why. What is on the left of GG here? Oh yeah, those wick here. Okay, we should tap that. Alright, let's go, man.
They're about 100 pip drop in 4 hours. Crazy. Uh-oh.
Alright, so this candle just closed. G looked good. So now we're gonna retrace up. And we should come down now.
I closed GA. The 4 hour candle is huge, and I'm afraid of the retracement.
Of the retracement,
just
yes.
because of that. Yeah.
Yeah, it makes total sense. You know what? Here, let's see if we can. By the way, I closed my GJ trade at 38 pips profit, so.
Your personal guide to the world of indie music. Get a free trial of YouTube Music Premium today.
Alright guys, so I think that was a pretty good win. I closed 50% of my trade on GA and gonna the restaurant. I reduced my stop. My stop now is under that previous 30 minute. So I just don't want to risk my profit from GJ. So that's it, you know. So my stop now is like kind of right around here. So I'm risking 12 pips, so 50%. I closed 50% at 0.4 pips profit. So yeah, so I'm gonna let the rest run and we'll see. Alright guys, so thank you very much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow night at Forex Talk over beer, alright? So take care guys. Have a great day.
Thank you very much, Sasha. Cheers.
Take care guys.
Thank you, Sasha.
Thank you, Sash.